Amalesio, Mukata, so Amalem. Amama Baba, Banamala, Daniel Famiko, and Yakubana Namaola. Daniel Famako, Punyaban and Namaono. Amalesio, Mukata, so Amalem. Amama Baba, Banamala, Daniel Famiko, and Yakubana Namaola. Oh, Baba, Yabazaye.
Yo, nous parlons de raison à mi va ni gba TV pe ndi wona ji me da pa na mi balek mi ga de mi apololo ble mi ap duma vinye fia mi awezon va egbe pe wona me toni magbo enya ga mi aploge balek mi nyana mi wona gomo je ke ple mi ap inspirational message alo motivational quote ni ke mi ako mi arokio nya ke mi ako tu mi arokio le egbe pe nke kame ke na mi zore ngo mi ako nka nya jojo yo ke ga dijina mi ako ntome ni lectori mi ako nka we nya ga kaka chi mi ako ya biology na mi zore ngo mi agere kana kokata ma ai betadu ko ma ha akpo nka we gym le betadu ko ma ha ke na mi trobo mi agere nya ma jojo ma no mo pom ne am popo to khoyo yo ke ma de ga fiami na ga masu be wa a pernya chinya akumo ma da kuna mi abale ke mi wo da ka ple ma share yi da mi pa je rumo don ku ji ba mi onya ko ba TV le Facebook da na ba ji avani ba TV EWENYIGBA TV le Facebook wa kakami cho fi kana mi akpom la ko daro status aloma mi onima. So you like, share, comment. That's how we do it on Facebook. You put us on your timeline and let people know that you are watching. So me I just want to up a motivational message. That's how we start the show today. We go into the motivational segment of our show, and we'll be looking at something that was said by Emerson. Emerson was a philosopher and was a great thinker, among so many other things that he was known for. So he says, "What you are shouts so loudly in my ears, I cannot hear what you say about yourself." That's a motivational message for today. What you are shouts so loudly in my ears, I cannot hear what you say about yourself. Who is the one saying this? Emerson is the one who said that. And I take that for the last time. What you ask shouts so loudly in my ears, I cannot hear what you say about yourself. A lot of times we are in a hurry to tell people who we are. We are in a hurry to explain to people how we are. We are in a hurry to whitewash ourselves in front of people to make them think that we are so good, we are so excellent. And a lot of times we forget that our personality, or if you like, character, the popular word is character. We forget that our personalities communicate in and of themselves. Our personalities speak by themselves. So people get to experience us for themselves. And it's what they see, feel, think about us that makes them remain in our circles. So I can say, well, as for me, this is how I am. As for me, if you love me, I love you back. As for me, I'm a very humble lady. As for me, I'm a very intelligent boss. As for me, I'm a very smart politician. This is how I am. This is how I'm telling you how I am. But Emerson is saying that what you are shouts so loudly in my ears. I cannot hear what you say about yourself. My experience of you, how I see you, how I relate with you, and what I have come to know you for is more important than what you are saying you are. Nyatsala okwenu kpola. Nya kemi konse dom ya rukyo njianye. Nya de ka imesini ka nyala gare gbro. Egbro be mwi na nya. Toli demam alagbebe ni blom na lebe ye nya. Magadi jim la nya tomu. Mwi ka tuzu na nya. Ame ka tuzu na nya. Toli demam alagbebe. Bedi. Ni maganyi blom na le choro pyonchi nam samo. Ire kwa. Ba dena mo nyakwe oganye khware tumula nami. Ni blom le kunye ba amabeto ke mi o mi nya fa menyenye. Ya fa manyunyu. Ya fa mawowo. O de kaja wo malo. O nyon vi a nyon malo. O agbele nyon vi a shilo. Agbe Michael wo ton wo kwa tume. Ye amo pona. Ye amo nyana. Seselame ka mo sana cho wonu fo. Wonu wo. Bro for the doma. Ye na nage wanyao bale na le. Manye adegbo kukuli yoku memile. Alu bakwasha bakwa jemile be mi achiri mi arokyo. Bakwasha bakwa ke jemile be mi agbele ba leo. Mi lenye no kwe dema. Enye nyao. Amashama kwa. Yento dan kudi. Lenang kude mianchi. Alawe ni minya. Akboni na loki. That's our motivational message for today. Nanamai mi agbafo wana goma jedema. Emerson was the one who said it. What you are shout so loudly in my ears, I cannot hear what you say about yourself. So people get to know us for who we are. So let's extend that a little bit. How do great people in general, great leaders in general, wealthy people in general relate? They are first and foremost light to lift. They are first and foremost light to lift. Great people are the lightest people. Great leaders are the lightest people. They can be lifted easily. They can be the people who will stand up and shake. They are the ones who extend their hands in a handshake. They are the ones who wave at first. The Pope will not wait for you to wave at him. As soon as he disembarks, he raises his hand and starts waving because he knows he's a great leader. He knows. He's the one who will be waving at first and smiling and blowing kisses. Waving, smiling, blowing kisses. He's very light to lift. His hand is light to lift. It's not just assistants or cardinals who will say, Pope, people are watching, people are waving at you, people want you to wave your hands. When John Dramani Mahama came to Ho on National Farmers Day, he drove out of the stadium with his glasses rolled down. He drove out of the stadium with his glasses rolled down, waving at people, allowing people to catch a glimpse of him. He knows he's the president. And people are interested in catching a glimpse of him. People would want to see him. So he rolls down till he gets to the street and rolls up. Because he knows that the whole crowd Everybody's interested in seeing him. And this is an attitude you're supposed to have developed from childhood till you grow. And if you never got to understand these things from the very beginning, you have to learn them at a point. I'm wo no bobo ele bobo bo cho doreji mo wo ro kyo be yo tre yo pe ba be zue ne afi amona koyo nkubu hu ma mi le fiare manya akama no no ko yo me mi lo akodalawe wona dunya hela onyena ntepola nufulalawe wona nujala onyena keshinoto the wo dona to magareji ameyo kenya maglo ameyo ke English of grassroots what we fona kore amenchi afi wona amente pola ta nke ke bu goro ba ye ngotro ta menye abodagara bo anu pekpe zuzuzu ofokpana no keke gbaja ike metena dezo menye nkeke ma me mi le fio nkeke wo mi le fia kwari ame na ina fatu ame na lo ame otere mu bobwe ododa mno na si ame mo po me via o nye mtepola ya katam elabe nyape ga wuli wuli yo mi chojom ye fona fu afi ona kashino do fu afi ona kashino na do fa ga shago fa ga na mo chonya fun ma play unit ma yo mana play vivi e kama e fu ga afi amade abenye do fa ga nene make nye plo pa kwa mi dana de yo trofu na fu afi bla ame ya zo du koplo la ta mi me ga fu wona ha eleji gbe shag ta nyima igere amafu nyaka ma tofofo ma tochina ne alumo rofofo ta no magbonya na no ya be light to lift, be easy to touch, easy to approach, soft in your relationship. And that's how the world goes. Fifia hikama varufia, aleka hikama lenya. Yo, mi akotumia rokyo le agba tome. Ke mi azorango akbo, mi apenya jojogbano mi akbo nkawe zo hachi ashishamu ojejem le agba pendiam. Aja kwa chima pantome. MeHoWeDay.com yakwara. Naka recalls senior high school physical education manual. Jeja mafia. Chonya yazo nyamire le nyapo naje Naka Kenya National Council for Curriculum Assessment and Assessment. Nya ejem le fia wen makwenye nyu kamle nyapo ya biology. Minya toga tola na le vota pachakpa eno sebe nya jojo are jofli no nya joko nya mi blogger ta jabana check up mi na yomi kaba alobe nya gareji na sebe na jojo mlo de fika kena la lo aplawe la lo hokwe la lo pandwe la lo akachio fika o timto katame la lo fika ko fika amata sebe gbele kwari nunjo ajo na kafe mikaba ta shai ne nya kosema nomba o le tibi ajibi no popon e ba nomba ma ona no shu tena yo ke nya anya nana kama gato nya mananyo na ponga tu magbananyo. So Naka recalls senior high school physical education mi jocho kakakanya ba mihi ndisi tofu nufula de ka yikanya chichina macham to tofu nyangela kanya fiala huhe yingo safaji kia gama no myapo na jicho jakba shagba be ya dago na mi be manya balo nye ike ovaicho ono sukuyo no ka ebe ka achizo chio nye alo mfia dodo are ko nye ucho ye chicha obono zon reji ke bala pakwara khlembe focal area explanation of sexual reproductive health. Bala tanya week 1 over Nifiagama over week 1 learning introduction explains sexual and reproductive health and its impact on health and wellness. Enye bala pakpai tutu manyala makajiwa jeke miao TV ajinyakbo. If you have a focal area over week 1 chichabe afiemwa focal area over explanation of sexual and reproductive health. If you have a sexual and reproductive health, sexual and reproductive health in nyapo bodo dople nyapo gigi for wana le mo mi tong aleke nyata do nyado nonyo ogbo aleke ni nyata jireji abaleke kunchuklo no nyong no na ihe ji afiene leke miawe la lamosema aleke miawe la mo mi tong. Sexual and reproductive health is very important for the overall health and well-being of people in Ghana. And there have been improvements in recent years. For instance, about 1.7% of adults have HIV, with women having a higher rate of 21% compared 2.1% compared to men of 1.2%. And although many people know about HIV, detailed knowledge on how to prevent it is still lacking. Agbalampo mareku miko balantoto miko da restrain ajina ke enfuma be the HIV dem da alo de enfuma be ke igbagba jembe ya fiamcho HIV AIDS dollar mai kenya dohola munchi ke ijibe amaro dollar ya lonchi kaka ama pakanto ke nchi dollar la yin nyongu tamo be gbala pakpa ya mfia ma be lojibe ya ponjo ale ke mi ado mi anu a do awo gbodo dollar mo mi ton chene ke although many people know about HIV, detailed knowledge on how to prevent it is still lacking. Many teenagers also find it hard to access sexual and reproductive health services, and only 17.6% of them have received services like birth control, treatment for sexually transmitted infections, or pregnancy-related care. Mereku balen akhle mala elegbo lankure ngonchi bana elegbo na ko dare screen aji. So there is a noticeable difference in the use of contraception, birth control among women. About 25% of married women and 37% of unmarried sexually active women use modern contraceptives. However, usage among adolescents is significantly lower, reflecting gaps in access and education. The adolescent fertility rate is fairly high, with about 14% of young women aged 15 to 19 starting to have children. Said bala penya ora bala funcho aleke mia do mia aleke mia so hona do ono ne ogbola monyi tonchi ke egbogblombe ameke hofe wia ton yi na ya sheke a wo no ne ogbodon koko le Ghana alebe wo vi hajim bala ni afian bala le nyalo ni afian bala nya be fifia ameke hofe wia ton ide pe wia sheke a wo we bototo wo we fu dom wo we fu fon wo we vijim ni afian bala le nye. These numbers highlight the need for better sexual health education and service to improve the health and well-being of everyone in Ghana. Ta yo nyebe ameke kokwe wi aton fia wo we uno ni ogbodon wo we fu ha fon ukaka ba do fe wi a sheke fuma gbododo atradi le pe kachocho yo meta hia be ofian cho gbododo to mo nwi tonchi alo bodo to mo fofofo unchi plus sube fu magava plus sube dohola mem ha magava ta afia gbala na eji anu ma afia ma about common terms nyagbe alo nyachio alo dagana kaweli ike o jemi kata nyanya le gbepo mo kokwe ya ike o mo yo ko fu wi aton ipe wi ase ke wo we o no gbodo ma uta eje be nya so dagana ye yi alo nyagbe ye yi yo ke gbepo mo kokwe ke o ma ike milanchi. Sex, the biological and physical characteristics that define humans as female or male. The characteristics are caused by chromosomes, hormone levels, reproductive, sexual organs, and other physical traits. It also means the engagement in physical activities or behaviors involving sex organs and often aiming for sexual pleasure or reproduction. That sex in hachucho kame mile mchwe na nyalo nyongi nenye bele aleke miape lame chiko alo miape lame kpokhongu bele mio ke wo mimi dina nyajilao ko fifi ata sex maganye mchwe na nyalo nyongi nenye aka akekata dragi. Sexuality, a broad range of concepts related to sexual feelings, thoughts, attractions, and behaviors toward other people. It involves sexual orientation, sexual behavior, and sexual identity. Two and talk right can be highlight to the skin and cry is a whole problem by itself. Unless Musenya blowing me gomo. Sexuality. Yenye enya baja ye ke miko dana mia pesa salamo bodoto pesa salame ble susu ke vana mia petame ne mi be mia adomia no ble attractions jojo ni oke akpon nyonko nyakpon no alakpo having to mo kata yomba attraction in the LGBTIQ space ke to other people, attractions towards other people ekwe kake onyebe chamble mai mile sukwa attraction, sexual attraction must be to the opposite sex. Ekpogele life skills man, ekpogele score science man, ekpogele integrated science man, ni ekpogele anya opposite sex. Kaka gbana fiambo fifia attraction, sexual attraction akeke gbaja and it's to other people. Ke akpatonia ikenya kuhenya sexual orientation, it describes a person's pattern of emotional, romantic, or sexual attraction to others. The opposite sex magajemo others. Utrumo vivi ke enelianya gender identity fia liaba dilenia. Gender identity refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth. Definitely, I signed at birth. That no sexual orientation. I'm meant to susu iko cho alo meant to susu paklaye iko neroki to ento rokinche ta fifia ne ojiwa nchu yenye sexual orientation alo gender iko wa assign at birth nchu yenye open sex assigned at birth nyom wenye open sex assigned at birth aka sexual orientation if never chichima on top paklaye keno kono rupi alo tamasusu ye keno kono ako jojro ye kaba tamano ba yejibe anye tamarofia ojiu abantu kaka that is your sex assigned at birth nyom send sex assigned at birth kaka never chichima there is such a thing as sexual orientation. Sexual orientation, I'll read it again, it refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience. Taviane chia so selama sesei ke lemau aleke ne bom le dokuo ma aleke ne sem le dokuo meme aleke ne sem le dokuo ma le meme yenye sexual orientations a deeply felt internal experience of gender which may or may not correspond to the sex assigned at birth. It can include being male, female, or a blend of both. Tagni o afni o chochondo re chicha bono no ji ofie mwenye be fifia no be no fifia no blend if you be no ji o wata yo banchu ala be aja banchu wata yo banyon abe ja be banyon aka no to ba chichima no gbogbo now no so strong alo papla ye alo ngoma de ye orientation beri le ata job le mama enyantu kaka mesese le lamama me le mo be nyantu alo nyantu kaka ga ntu no gbe no be ete jona ne ma be nyɔnu a nano tsitsi kaka ne va ɖo fia me ga ɖokui kpɔm ɖe dzesi be nye nyɔnu ɖokui kpɔm abe ŋutsu ene alo wodze be nyɔnu na lɔ̃ ne ŋutsua mekpee nenema ta ata wò ɖokui ŋutsu kple nyɔnu alo abe mega nyɔnu etrɔ su ŋutsu kura faa alo nye nyɔnu gake lɔ̃ nyɔnu ga lɔ̃ ŋutsu hã nuyawo ye nye tukaɖa yi ke etsɔ mi nɔ eme dzrom ele mia ŋutɔ mia gbɔ. Yo, Mia Azorengo Akbobe Nyakawe Galahoide quickly. NACA recalls Senior High School Physical Education Manual. NACA has done a recall of this manual. NACA has done a recall of this manual. NACA inye jirupe do fege pona mfiaro do wo ple upe mama na sukuvio kata ke nyaya o ndeje jama gbana me ike Reverend team unfortunately global you see agenda they have smuggled the LGBTQI agenda into the curriculum the parliament. They have smuggled if you NACA recalls this because of New York appointment that the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment has directed all teachers in possession. Because you judge some of these things. However, the National Council for Curriculum Assessment has directed all teachers in possession of hard copies of the Senior High School Physical Education and Health Teachers Manual to return them immediately. This move follows concerns raised about certain definitions in the manual and were not adequately flagged during to the review process. Nakabe potapotole mfiaroro ke kakare chichoshia ta yo gbogbo no mesha tro gbara be la be nanu le me ke yo me kpo de jesio e ke yo no metomo. According to Professor Vincent Asanfo, chairman of the NACA board, the affected sections, particularly the definition of terms, will be thoroughly reviewed and corrected as part of ongoing curriculum revisions. He assured teachers, parents, and the public that the council is committed to ensuring that teaching materials reflect Ghanaian values while maintaining academic credibility. The controversy surrounds a section of the definition of gender identity, which has sparked debate over its consistency with Ghana's laws and cultural values. NACA has acknowledged that the manual has passed through expert review but apologized for the oversight, stating that the definitions should have been flagged during the review process. NACA pe domagayo ke kpona nyo jifu na kure nyo magboblombe do jabo yo kpon potopoto de je shafi kaka yo matenpe tanotro gbanabe pide ko yema onu fiam jube ata job ntu kaka na chichima na no sesena la mo mega nyichu na be alon nyo na alon nyo na be alon chu na alon chu na lurupio na lurupio na be alon chipape na alon chipape Oforiatta kajeje mafia Oforiatta U.S. green lights Ken Oforiatta extradition. Ghana's efforts to extradite former Finance Minister Ken Oforiatta from the United States have received a significant boost, with the U.S. government assuring that it will not impede the process. Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okudzeto-Ablakwa disclosed this after a high-level bilateral meeting between Ghana and U.S. officials, stating that the U.S. has given Ghana the green light to proceed with Oforiatta extradition. And according to a Ghana Web report, Ablakwa revealed that the U.S. government has assured Ghana that it will not stand in the way of Oforiatta's removal without prejudice to ongoing judicial processes. The development comes after Oforiatta was declared a wanted man by the OSP over allegations of financial malfeasance and causing financial loss to the state. Bila kuja to black rap huncho. Okuja to nyaro kule kpokple. Okuja to gbogbombe ablakwa okuja to gbogbombo keno frata ikele betasrafo pasima la America du koma egbogbo be Ghana ba le ke oduene tradition enye du kona no gba le du ko bu be amade le du koma me ke gbeta du koma me ke jimo le o de du koma ta no pere yo nchi no le amama akoko kovina yo okwe akodashina yo ta olege acho dashina mu yo kenye gbeta du ko bovito watchwe achove Ghana abako dashine Ghana bovito afia trojo of Samuel kujeto ablaka goglombe eleji ngogo America to come to ogboglombe yo kenya gbonugla yo kepona amofwe asone de alozo so chodu ko ime to come ma yo pede sibe ajebe kenofriata na gbove Ghana baleke yo dieneta eleji gogo egbogboge ave Ghana yo enya omatone la fia ma to chachako nya yide breakare Tia Mahama spends 30,000 on funerals monthly. Nya jejema afia interesting. Member of Parliament Abdul Kabiru Tia Mohammed, Member of Parliament for Wale constituency, has revealed that he spends at least 30,000 on funerals every month, and this statement underscores the significant financial burden of funeral expenses in Ghana, a country where elaborate ceremonies are an integral part of the culture. So according to a GH1 news report, Tia Mahama made this disclosure, highlighting the strain that financial costs place on individuals and families. And in Ghana, funerals are a significant social obligation, often requiring substantial expenditures on food, logistics, and all that. MP deka so takwe bamanola deka yike nye enkonye Tia Mahama Abdul Kabiru Tia Mahama ikenye so takwe manola ne wale so tak be ntome egboglombe eye 300 million ye chokpa nara monchi uko no popo jimshajimu kama wabiamba ka fike Tia Mahama ga yakpomle. Nana Jenopoku Ajiman engages youth ministry, a quick one. Ghana's Vice President Professor Nana Jenopoku Ajiman arrived at the Ministry of Youth Development and Employment to engage stakeholders on the ministry's efforts and initiatives aligned with national development goals. So according to a joint news report, the meeting aims to discuss ways to empower Ghanaian youth and promote national development. So Professor Edogo amekpekpo agbonoglo ke le sohwo ƒe takpɔ nɔƒea ministry kpɔna sohwo ƒe nyawo dzi kple ƒe dɔkpɔkpɔwo le Ghana edzedzem le afia hã. Last one, NADMO donates relief items. The National Disaster Management Organization NADMO has donated relief items to victims of the recent Kaswa New Market fire outbreak in the Wutu Senya East municipality. The donation was led by the Deputy Director General in charge of protocol, Ms. Henrietta Sante, who visited the affected area to assess the damage and provide support. Joike B. Le Kaswa Penya Haja Mafia over ne pekpere mu amewo ke ƒe mu ofia amewo ke ƒe mu gblẽ le edzo bibi ma me. Maxɔ do ŋutsutu yara be miniti ɖeka va ɖe ko matrɔ va ale be miage ɖe nyadzɔdzɔ gbalẽ mamlɛwo.
Ta srɔ̃ amanu nye ŋu ɖe amenɔ megbe fɔdo gbana me lo danye fɔmakpɔ yakugba hã nenemawo nɔnɔ gelo.
Alele danye fɔmakpɔ yakuga nenemawo nɔnɔ ge.
Evi amele sio nu kata srɔ̃ amele ye ŋu ɖe amenɔ megbe fɔdo gbana me la danye fɔmakpɔ yakugba hã nenemawo nɔnɔ gelo. Alele danye fɔmakpɔ kunyagba nenemawo nɔnɔ gelo. Evi amele sio nu kata srɔ̃ amele ye ŋu ɖe amenɔ megbe magba foto bana malo danya famiko yakuba anana maulanga anana danya famiko yakuba anana maulanga garo
alagbe potomo
lenso mukata so amale amana magba foto bana malo danya famiko yakuba anana maulanga America matuo 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 alala danya famapa yakubane namo no garo yawale sho mukata so amale amana magba magba mala danya famapa yakubane namo alala danya famapa jonya gbane namo no garo oh yawale sho mukata so amale amana magba magba mala danya famapa yakubane namo Strong manu nyamuri amana magba foto gbana molo danya fomakpo yakuba hanana maono no galo
alele danya fomakpo yakuga nana maono no ge
evi amalesho mukata so amale amana magba foto gbana mala danya fomakpo yakuba hanana maono alele danya fomakpo kunya gbana nyama ono no galo ebi amale so mukata so amane nyamure amana magba foto gbana mala danya famiko yakuba anana maona oh wagba banya banzo ajeye lo kwami adizu magawa oh wagba banya banzo ajeye lo kwami adizu magawa alele danya famako yakuba anana maona no galo ebi amale so mukata so amane nyamure amana magba foto gbana mala danya famiko yakuba anana maula alele danya famiko yakuba anana maula no galo
alagbe potomo
lenso mukata so amale
Yo, nous parlons de raison, chaud, donc je peux que mia ho fiame mia ayi le GBC Ghana online akpo nkawe le afuma india GBC Ghana online. Donc je veux mia encore sam le Ringba TV le Facebook alors mia encore sam chaud du kobo vom hika pachapa tangui ko na tawo na mi die nyabo na ayi le Ringba TV le Facebook na nglo tamosusu achomya pa wananchi ade ususu chomya pa mwajujonchi aglo ala we mio ha miakhlina dua na nyankosam le TVG the multi TV satellite G 0242670773 nya number yikana taza ta cheka limito kapoja shimaji kama makala batatu koma donc jiwa azu plus 233 242670773 Nela Ghana ha na wo plus 2332426707773 bonyako gagole go message o never to WhatsApp kemya me oke metem ngono gwa yake mi se audio message alo voice message goma you go ahead and send an audio message and we'll read them me oka takhlege Yo, GBC Ghana Online, the court grants 10 million Ghana City bail to Akonta Mining Operations Manager. Akonta Mining, you can Buntumi, where Shikaku, for manager, alo domaga, iha o lead kure Shikaku kule mo majegajeng, alo Shikaku kule majese, Shikaku manusenguchi, nang mata oli, ke yo kwe vongbe nocho ga 10 million Ghana cedis akodemagweni. Alaba wada shinchi wa yapama. So, Jabafia. 24 hours in India, a first-time visitors lesson in customer care. 24 hours in India, a first-time visitors lesson in customer care. So, Emma feature, Emma lo article, Mareng be de India, very strong. Ale bakbo, ale ke ko amo dom zakla ke le engine do fie do fojin pleto ni ba kpele India nya. De yung pakbo yung takokpo nglo le feature le GBC Ghana Online tana joa tabakhani court grants. All right, so I think one of ya kwenye myoka jam le GBC Ghana Online nya yire city newsroom yakbo nka le fumandia city newsroom. Let's go to city newsroom and let's see what we have there. B1, B2 visas not affected by U.S. immigration visa pause. B1, B2 visas not affected by U.S. immigration visa pause. Ambassador Smith. So Ghana's ambassador to the United States, Emmanuel Victor Smith, has clarified that the United States' decision to temporarily halt visa processing does not affect non-immigrant visas for Ghanaians. Takpira kwa B1 B2 visa wenye visa yoke mujaka chadilao plashi chalao zana koina betadu kome visa inye America duko tuafopo visa nana tukoro elabe uposukuvio nova uma Jonah ome oke Jonah dukoma mwebe yova America dukoma ha ovana to a moma jegajingwa lo uma vana to a senyi toji omo zona si opose beroja fivana de mata dukomo omoga visa hoge alo a mo dede a mo zonzon we mo dede gbane ikenye visa mo zo gbane vi passport aka mo dede bena ze passport ma achok bier America dukoma yoro shijigbo aka ambassador Smith ko glombe non immigrant visas immigrant ya me ka chok beta dukoma ava no dukorem amamo ados adno fuma ko gbogbo aro repeton pone ano suku dem amamo otpanyalabo acho be aba no fuma wodo acho be adestron aba no fuma ro adestron da fuma no fuma ajiviore fuma amamo panya gbomle aka ameke bo ya ba jashi alo ya ba plana na ava alo ya nye mujaka chadila ba po America to koma ko shere ka ava ko agbo amamo melemo nya ya enya nyare keme nya ajo. B1, B2 visas not affected by U.S. immigration visa pause, Ambassador Smith. So Ghana's ambassador to the United States, Emmanuel Victor Smith, has clarified that the United States' decision to temporarily halt immigrant visa processing does not affect non-immigrant visas for Ghanaians. The clarification is expected to allay concerns among Ghanaians planning short-term travel to the United States for business or tourism, as B1, B2 visa remain unaffected by the temporary suspension. And this follows an early announcement by the United States government that it will place a temporary pause on immigration visa processing for nationals of 75 countries, including Ghana and Nigeria, as part of a review of its visa screening procedures under the long-standing public charge rules. According to the United States State Department, the pause takes effect on January 21 and will remain in place indefinitely while consular officers reassess how visa applications are evaluated to determine whether they are likely to become overly dependent on U.S. public welfare systems. So basically, the countries affected, the United States has announced a temporary halt. Countries, I'm interested in the countries. Ta pide kwa dukoro yoke Africa, Europe, Caribbean, Ghana, Nigeria, Somalia, Russia, Afghanistan, Brazil, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Thailand, and Yemen. Onye dukoro yoke nyayaka. Duko gbaro duko bla andrevo nane u Russia jibe omaga a zoma of America dukomo. Negbe ame agbona nyashi chala galeshi bona nana plug bona do pare roge alo ina takopare ame okenye ntepo la mato dio wo ku ya tenwa onova ha umono na injichi alo mo yokobo onye mo jakacha dilo ya ba po America ra alo ya yoni mu ne aba amama ofa kaka sukuvi yo America ingwa we mo gbogbo ame yo o srorem ade yo vo pleto ko azan susu ko aba in America agbogbogbo aba de suku ana un na gbogbo ble ai America nkeke na denu be na gboga kana be kokoko chinchina ya jidora fumano ano doshiado jimbi ke wana be welfare system be domala shio kaka na domala shio jiru still ajebo okpo na na oji okpo na saroli na ma na te be gamla shio na ho rent ha alo na ba hodoga eko card doga mete ga hago o mote la ga demo ya to mo ba pe amono gba mi fa nonna ta mo yo ko chogbe ta du ko mo ba ya du ma ba na be kafla do ko no doga no mo te ho hio na ga mo subo ho opo ho photo mo to hio abu mo te ga fu gba do rego ta na nambe du ko pa paro mo nya pon America du ko pro la oglombe secular do do na public charge be yo wo mi ke je yo ma ba du ko ni nya pa so yo na chogbe ta du ko no fu na yo ke Victor Smith yo sila ga kede nyanya te pa nya bo na gara shuno ba cha sha ma tai ta ma yo pa program na ho visa ma pleto city business news yema. Ghana is Africa's trade gateway. Okay, so let's look at other headlines very quickly and makajiba moje chemi afa screen oji kaba. Beyond the 3.8% October growth, what risks or opportunities remain? U.S. foreign policy under Trump driven by national interest, not alliances. Dr. Ajala will remember, okay, I like Donald Trump won fear. Manye kachacha lokado kwebotadu ko mo fo tamususu ile yasho. Aka di ofiasem blo po manyagba alo boto ogbo enye tamususu ikala America shifia. And it's also a policy anyway that America ga choda kala mana America du ko bubu be you check you can check ala to come view no ya ma mi ka jonwe ko na. All right, UN foreign policy under Trump driven by I've done that. GPRTU to deploy task force to curb fare violations. Anyare dogo free chomi de zagaba vukularo doko gadam na gaji ewo yo GPRTU alo jiru ko haboboy ke kpona vukulo for nyauji Ghana. Ikenye GPRTU, Ghana Private Road Transport Union. Ma degbobo no da fede afajalo dare hujoji kaka yo popombe amaro da dana hujoji de ota ebazu nyanji lu doko ofufure nyanji tafifia tax force alo wo asraforo doge alawe wo kpoboba gai ko jona khana we arohu ma isi huru mcho ho ina de 60 cd mare ke ma ba 65 a shoba eʋumelio elabe mise tso kɔsi ɖe yake ŋu va ɖo tsɔ va yi be fia ɖewo ne yi be aɖo ʋu ɖo gblɔna be ʋumelio ke amewo le fli me evɔ ʋu li lo ke driver katã le afi ma nyekɔnyekɔ le nusɔsɔe kɔ ko be ʋu ɖeke melio vi amewo va le fli me vɔ ke ame aɖe va do go be vum edzo yina ge pepepe vɔ yime be ayi afi o ta ne miamewo le fli me milɔ mitso 70 ve evɔ 60 xɔm wole evɔ me ʋua menye esi ʋu o ta zã nuwɔna yike dzi mdrawo vawo wɔwɔ ma enye ŋu manuse ŋu enye ŋu madzese ta fifia asrafo aɖewo dɔ ge asrafo tɔxɛ aɖewo dɔ ge alebe woge ɖe station katã ame aɖe yike be awɔ zã alo driver ko be awɔ zã be ʋu me le bɔ ʋu li kple sugbɔ amewo nava xe ga gbogbo ɔrɔsio dzi woakpɔ asi kpete me no kaba ŋutɔ. NLC summons Judicial Service Finance Minister on 5/2026 fees. GTech cautions UG University of Ghana Legon suku kɔkɔ yike le Legon da ɖe suku fia ɖewo dzi ɖe susu aɖewo ta gake GTech yike ne dziɖuƒe dɔwɔƒe Ghana Tertiary Education Commission dziɖuƒe dɔwɔƒe yike gbɔna sukuwo katã ƒe dɔwɔna dzi le Ghana ɖe gbe be kaba ŋutɔ no ɖi ɖe sukufia dzi alo sukuvi alo yewo xɔ yenye ne University of Ghana dɔmegãwo alo gbonoglãwo mo do wo ɖokuiwo dzi o ye womewɔ ɖe se yike yewodo alo ɖoɖo ye yike wɔ tso sukufiwo ŋuti na wo ye wobe wɔwu mi yike dze wo ɖokuiwo ŋua ekpo ya dze wo dzi. AGOA key to Africa's agro-processing and manufacturing push. Jackson. Yo AGOA African Growth and Opportunity Act yike nye sare ko wo febla so in 2005 the African Growth and Opportunity Act was passed and the idea is that the exports from Africa will go to America tariff free or tax free but the Trump government has cancelled that. AGOA yike nye wɔna ɖe yike demona Africa dukɔ katã be woƒe adzɔdo ŋu alo agba woakɔ yi ɖe America dukɔ me adzɔga ma xe tax ma xe lempo ma xe ticket tsotso manomi yike Trump be ya yi megalɔ ge be Africa tɔwo nanu woƒe gbeɖuɖɔ lɔ va kɔ ɖe America galamsey tewo ŋmɔ yi meŋmɔ dzi mo ta ne ame aɖe be atso nane tso Africa kpasi akpa kɔ va America dzi bɔ xe tax ɖe dzi ma eva nye kuxe yo Court grants bail. We are of manager of Akunta Mining. Beware of possibilities of meningitis outbreak. Ghana Health Service to the public. Yo, meningitis. Over the meningitis. I think it has to do with coughing. Meningitis. Over atamaga kaka alabo yoga kwa America baroga last ramboni ma ta ramboni ada gagbona ta masha no careful magana makna kuku re umano alomia no vuma air condition ko basco amana pa na mare teren chok pe e ma chung mo peto ajo na grama he apeto tetere mo bela be el doma hia dolare ikanye asrambodi remember meningitis at the one do come Ghana Health Service to all right, me I join news come over. NACA Director General apologizes as withdrawn teacher manual sparks national outrage. NACA to for Domagan Professor Gangwal Nyaragabo yo de kuku no choka yo chok bana rebe ke jibe ya de gododoma no samu jia yo melenkure mu ragbalo manyu ede yo lengpone munya na yo dosha gbala maji ta me shame ke nfiala ke shak gbala mala no trok gbala be kabanto baba na tuko ire kukulo misi kwachi ofuso hails one Ghana City fuel levy role in addressing energy sector indebtedness ofuso kwachi nya ngala Ghana jiru agbogbombo one city jogare ke yo ba hokomde ami shami kemije abene iba jami abe petrofia ne je 10 cedi ya 1 cedi mike remolama kpere yonchi ne gakpoko ne ocho khefe ikejiru ducho ami drado opunchi Yalo Jokari Dokoche. US to suspend visa, we have done that. GPR2, other unions summon over artificial vehicle scarcity, inflated fares, we've done that. We are far from Ofori artist extradition. Frank Davis response to Ablakwa. Frank Davis, near Danya Mobro, Bonya Ablakwa, oh, Furi Atalaga, Pasasa Kove, Mimar of Maharo, Bang Yate. Petitions against OSP EC leadership forwarded to Chief Justice Kwachi Ofosu. Yo, Kwachi Ofosu, Kenya Nyandela Gran, Chirago Blombe. Agbano yo koho. Cho, Dokushi Mogbo, but record the Electoral Commission alo kono draw laga Kenya Supreme Court Electoral Commission banike yo hobe yo no call the Electoral Commission that Kenya akotado papa magan, that's it. Electoral Commission Kenya akotado for amaganda yo kwedo the Supreme Court, that's it. So nyasela ngbola Tony Magbanya Plum Kamasuma Hundunji Pierma Trova Yamakopato yo Kenya Dunya Hala Dunya Blog Region Alaba Nyayapum Majuroji Apenga TV near Tony Macboy a plummy Miape Mungong Yapatan so Yapon Chuchokata Nova Ruboni La Dom Chuchopi Hogam Yalam plus Suba Matangahlon Nagamasu May Mavan.
Tas Ramanu Yamudi Amano Magbo Photo Banamolo Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono no galo.
Alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuga na maono no ge.
Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye munge. Amano Magbo Photo Banamala Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba na maono no galo. Alele Daniel Fomakpo Kunyagba na maono no galo. Kata so amane nyamure amano magba foto bana mara danya famepo yakuba na nyamaona oh wagba nyaba gajeye nyaba gajeye lokwa myadi kumaga wade oh wagba nyaba gajeye oh nyaba gajeye lokwa myadi kumaga wade alele danya famepo na maono mogolo ebi amalesio lukata so amane yamude amano magba fodo bana mala danya famiko yakuba na maono alele danya famiko yakuba na maono mogolo
Alagbe papa
amalesio lukata so amane yamude amano magba fodo bana mala Tas Ramanu Yamudi Amano Magbo Photo Banamolo Daniel Fomakpo Yakubana na maono no galo.
Alele tanya fama kwa yakuga na maono no ge.
Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye munye. Amano mago bozo bana mala tanya fama kwa yakubana na maono no galo. Alele tanya fama kwa kunya bana na maono no galo. Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye munye. Amano mago bozo bana mala tanya fama kwa yakubana na maono. Oh, wababa nyabazajeye. Nyabazajeye. Lokonya jizumaga. Oh, wababa nyabazajeye. Nyabazajeye. Lokonya jizumaga. Alele tanya fama kwa yakubana na maono nogolo. Ebi amalesyo mukata so amane yamure. Amano magba fodo bana mala tanya famiko yakubana na maono alele tanya famiko yakubana na maono nogoro
Alagbe papa
alesyo mukata so amane amano magba fodo bana mala tanya famiko yakubana na maono America matuo 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 Alala danya famapa yakubana na maono nogoro Yawalesho mukata so amane Amano magba bodo bana mala tanya fama kwa yakubana na maono alele tanya fami kwa jonya bana na maono nogoro oh ti abalesho mukata so amano nyamwe amano magba bodo bana mala tanya fami kwa yakubana na maono oh wababa nyabazo ajeye
My tears are river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. Oh, if only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain. Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain.
Yo nukpɔlɔ me da ƒe na miava le ke mi hodzigbɔɖi ma na me va ho dome tsotsopi ma he ka trɔ va. Donc dzi be Veyingba TV ƒe yavalɔ dzi ami le mi miaŋkɔ sem le Mɔti TV dzi, amewo ga miakpɔm le Facebook hã. Ale be miaƒe nutsotso ke miagbɔ ɖoa miwo katã xɔ ke miwo xlẽ ge afi wɔna na awu Tony Magboy enye miakplɔm ke miɖo miaƒe aɖaŋuwo kple miaƒe gbedeasiwo ɖem le 0242670773 ale be ma axlẽ 0242670773 ale be mewo katã xlẽ ge medo agbendzi na tɔgbegã Voltanas be miankɔ sem ŋdi amedo ŋdi na Fraser be miankɔ sem le Lashibi. Good morning to you. Good morning to you as well. Tina be miankɔ sem tso Fodome. Good morning to you. Yo kemi ke ɖe political segment me miakpɔ nkawoe nye dunyawo yo ke gbadzi miaƒe yavalɔ katã dzi enye ha le asisiɔnu dia. US green lights can offer actors extradition. UN green lights can offer actors extradition. US ana nyame be yo mianchi can offer atana boba. Ghana's efforts to extradite former finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta from the United States have received significant boost, with the U.S. government assuring that it will not impede the process. Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa disclosed This after a high-level bilateral meeting between Ghana and U.S. officials stating that the U.S. has given Ghana the green light to proceed with Ofori Atta's extradition. So that's our first story today. Ofori Atta, Bahia gada gomo ka okuje to black wa kanye miapa jiru doma ka kpona miapa kachacha kro ta do ko maji samuel okuje to black wa e ka ganye north don to so takpe machang to me so takpe mai la e blonya wo yo no takpe beriara ma chovai ke yo do Ofuriata fe lele kple ife tɔtrɔ va Ghana ƒe nya ɖe Amerika dɔmega yi ke kpɔna míaƒe dedzi ƒe dedienɔnɔ kple míaƒe mɔzɔzɔ ayi ɖe gbetadukɔ me dzi be o no hiã be Ofuriata nagbɔ va aƒeme ava ɖo nya ɖeka va ɖo keke yeƒe dɔwɔna abe míaƒe gadzikpɔla gã ena yo gbagbadze ge alebe yɔ dɔ le kple míaƒe dziɖuɖu alebe Ofuriata nagbɔ va aƒe nyama nye nya gbãtɔ le mía gbɔ. Yang kpekpo ole gmonye mo ɖe afia mi ɖeka gbãtɔ nye Honorable Raphael Walasi Dogbe yi ke nye tɔƒetɔ ƒe Ametsiamtome electoral area ƒe assembly member egada nyamu ne NDC Wezo Honorable.
Yo Tony ma zamonu kpɔkpɔ ma do agbemdi na ewo ŋutɔ kple woƒe team of producers ne ma ado agbemdi tɔxɛ na nɔvinye Wilson Amos. Na mado efe gbene elabe eya nye zigbãtɔ mi kple mi le godo le 2026 me. Eye ma ado gbe na miaƒe enukpɔlawo ƒete le all media platforms. Amugano tometɔwo ƒete eye ma do gbe na NDC ƒomie ame yiwo ke nye party ƒe ke from miaƒe branches o va ɖo ward coordinators to constituency kaka va ɖo region. Me do agbemudi na ƒete me do gbetɔxe na nye woame tia nu to metɔwo dze be woawoe le edɔ dzi. Tony ke no Ofuriata ƒe nya be le yi ke ne gble do ŋgɔa enye enya yi ke nye nyanyanye be wobuna zã ɖe ŋu be le eƒe dudɔnunɔnɔ mea ɖoɖo ɖeka ve ɖewo yi ke yi dzia womesɔ eyi ke wobuna zã be ewɔe be Ghana ƒe ga eyi nugbe ɖe madzemadze dzi eya ta wòahiã be ne woahe ve abia babiawo yi eye nenye be ʋɔnukpɔe be edze agɔa to he yiwo ke akplɔe ɖoa woakɔ nɛ. Then fast forward koa mi se be aƒetɔ ƒe lãmegble eyi ke wòahiã be ne wòava xɔ dɔyɔyɔ le gbeta ke eva nɔ US dukɔ me ɣeyiɣi geɖe afɔɖeɖe geɖewo hã wonɔ dziɖuɖu to Attorney General kple tɔwo dzi be ne woami asi aƒetɔ Ken Ofori-Atta alo be wòagbɔ va ne babia yiwo ke lea wòava ɖo eŋu gake le initial stages akpɔ be edze abe enuwo menɔ zɔzɔ nyuie ɖe o eye mi Ghanatɔwo including enye ke henɔ fi koraa medo asi ɖe Attorney General ƒe ŋkume elabe eva ɖo teƒe ɖea eƒe nyagbɔgblɔwo ɖoko va nɔ media space mi menɔ afɔɖeɖie ŋutɔŋutɔ kpɔ ke nyanyui yi ke do na mi le ɣeyiɣi kpui ɖe me nye bea asi va ka aƒetɔ Ken Ofori-Atta le US dukɔ me be eƒe US nɔnɔa visa yi ke nɔ sia ekoxi va ɖo eŋu eya ta wòahiã be teƒe yi ke wònɔa woaɖee akɔva ada ɖe teƒe bubu be wòanɔ fi ma. Ke eta do ɖa me ne wogbɔ abe le yi ke story egblea to míaƒe foreign affairs minister dzi ele agbalẽ yiwo ke Attorney General kple tɔwo ŋlɔ ɖe US egbea mi le ŋuɖoɖo xɔ be US tɔwo le gbɔgblɔ be yewomahi asi ɖe aƒetɔ ƒe tɔtrɔ gbɔ va Ghana be babia yiwo ke fɔ ɖe te wòava ɖo ŋua yewomahi asi ɖe enu enye enya nyui yi ke va ne mi Ghanatɔwo elabe menye NDC tɔwo ɖeɖe ƒe nyawo nye o. Of course NPP communicator woɖewo koraa wogblẽ le media platforms abe eyi ke dzi mi le be afetɔ ƒe nuwɔwɔ aɖewo eya wɔ be akɔdada metsonu yiwo ke mikpɔ le 2024 elections eƒe enuwɔwɔ ɖewo kple enumawɔmawɔ ɖewo miagblɔ be actions and inactions woawo tse wonye contributing factor na nu yi ke va dzɔ ɖe NPP dzi. Now míaƒe dulisi ye ɖemɔ na Ghana be wòate ŋu atia eka kple dukɔ bubuwo ɖe viɖe yiwo ke míakpɔ tso mía nɔewo gbɔ. Eƒe ɖeka yike be woakɔ delegation ava nɔ anyi kple US be woado xɔmedani agblɔ be ɖe susu ɖeka eve yawo ta míadi be miakpe ɖe mía ŋu be aƒetɔ ne wòatrɔ gbɔ va ne wòava ɖo biabia ŋu. Gake medi be míade dzesi some of the key aspects hele extradition ƒe enyame. Ɖeka eya nye be ame yi ke wobuna zã ɖa efia be adzagɔ le dukɔ yi ke me wòtso kple dukɔ yi ke me wòva be ɖa. One of the key aspects nye be woade dzesi be ame dzagɔ le dukɔ ve yawo dzi le kpɔɖeŋu me ne wòtɔni vɔ ne va yi ne wɔ nane le asɔgli yeƒe toxɔduwo me egbe eyi ke wòhiã be woakɔ ava ne nava ɖo biabia ŋu ya esi ya eva ge ɖe kle ƒe nuto mea. Ne woƒe kle ƒe nuto me nɔnɔ dzesi ɖewo va ɖi be nazã bubu gale ŋu le kleƒea akpe ɖe kleƒetɔwo ŋu kaba be woaɖe asi le ŋue xɔna asɔglitɔwo be biabia gbãtɔ yi ke gbɔ ne le sisi lea ne nava aɖo ŋu. Ta eyi ke mi se be aƒetɔ ƒe visa kuxi va nɔ ŋua edze kɔte be ƒe US nɔnɔ hã kuxi le eŋu eya ta wòahiã be woakpe asi ɖe mía ŋu be wòatrɔ gbɔ. Enu bubu nye be le agbalẽ ɖe yi ke mi sea wo describe aƒetɔ Ken Ofori-Atta abe fugitive eyi ke another aspect nye be nenye be woɖɔe ɖe nɔnɔme ma mea kemi efia be ele be na adogo kple ese eye ese yiwo ke wòahiã be woakɔ gbɔ be wowɔ dɔa woaƒo ta numa kple enu bubu geɖewo nye enu yiwo ke mexɔse be míaƒe delegation yi ke va nɔ anyi kple US dumegãwoa wogblɔ eye wose egɔme be enyo alo anyo be aƒetɔ ne wòatrɔ gbɔ va. Ɖeko mi le mɔ kpɔ be manye nyagbɔgblɔ ko woagblɔ na mi be o US tɔwo be yewomahi asi ɖe aƒetɔ Ken Ofori-Atta nu ko ɣleti kɔsiɖawo ŋkekewo kɔsiɖawo ɣletiwo ava nɔ yi ko wòanye nyagbɔgblɔ ƒuƒlu eyi ke be afɔɖeɖe maso anyi alo mata anyi be Ken Ofori-Atta ne wòatrɔ gbɔ va Ghana ava ɖo biabia ya ŋua anye nu yi ke ate ɖe mía dzi gake ele yi ke wòle fifia mate ŋu agblɔ be afɔ dzesiwo wodze dzedze be afɔɖeɖewoa wole nyonyo eye míaƒe gbedodoɖa be aƒetɔ neva ne woaku nu me kpli eye nenye be nyateƒe ese alo ʋɔnu ɖe gblɔ be ewɔ nu gbegblẽ alo nu yi ke medze o ne woahi ɖe se gbɔa mi le mɔ kpɔ be afɔɖeɖe mawo woadze fiawo to adze gato elabe Ghana míawo mi believe in the rule of law menye eyi ke woawɔ nu yi kiki o eya ta ma agblɔ be le eya mea egaɖo kpe dzi na mi hã be democracy yi ke mi le sɔsrɔ̃ alo yi ke wɔ mi la ele tsitsi ɖe edzi nenye be mito emɔ yawo ƒete eye aƒetɔ Ken Ofori-Atta hetrɔ gbɔ va ke míaƒo abɔta na attorney general kple ame yiwo ke hã henɔ ŋgɔ na afɔɖeɖe ya be aƒetɔ atrɔ gbɔ nenye be enuwo zɔ nyuie ɖe eyi ke wòtrɔ gbɔ etɔni.
Yo akpe nukpɔla Honorable Raphael Wolasi Dogbe yi ke nye kleƒetɔ ƒe amedzia ŋutometɔwo ƒe nuƒoami se. Yo metsɔ trɔ ge ɖe Honorable Amos Wilson ŋuti ye hã nye NPP tɔwo ƒe nyaŋuɖela wo dometɔ ɖeka le tsitsina metsia ŋutɔ me afia ale be aɖe eƒe susuwo agblɔ na mi. Honorable woezɔ.
Yo Tony mezɔ ɖe mia nu ye mazã mɔ nukpɔkpɔ ya ado agbleŋdi bɔkɔ ne míaƒe nukpɔlawo katã ye agado eƒe gbe ne eƒe Nyigba TV ne mía alo nɔvinye Honorable Assembly Member ne kleƒe be le dodgy me ŋkɔ sɛm ale gbegbe le kleƒe ŋutɔ me. We wish him all the best. Ken Ofori-Atta ƒe nya ya meka ɖe edzi be eva zu abe koklo dɔka yi ke Ghana dukɔ va hehem. In fact enye nu yi wɔ nublanui be ame aɖe na akɔ ɖokui sa vɔ asef eƒe dukɔ alebe Yosef dukɔ vɔa kuxe kple enya geɖewo nava ku ɖe nu. Ewɔ nublanui gake eyonye be amegbetɔ ƒe alo human institution ne míele ta nu yawo dzɔna ta míakoe nenema. Ke nu ɖeka yi ke ɖe fu koe nye be eƒe anyimanɔmanɔ yi ke mele Ghana dukɔ me o, yi ke be wa abie egbe. Gake abe ame aɖe yi ke ƒona nu ne atiglinyi dunyagblɔha ma agblɔe ale be Ken Ofori-Atta menye ame yi ke dzagɔ alo ʋɔnu aɖeke megblɔ fia be edzagɔ haɖeke o, ke boŋ nu yiwo katã yi gblɔm wole ɖe eŋutia enye naza bubuwo gbɔ. Nu katã fi me gbɔnyae ɖoe nye be nenye be ʋɔnu tso kufia alo gblɔ be agɔdzedze va ekema meka ɖe edzi be egbe bubu nana dodo megba. Megagblɔe hã be nu ke agblẽ nenye be Ghana dukɔ alo Attorney General yi ɖe ʋɔnu le Ken Ofori-Atta megbe ne kaka ɖe dzi li evidence ɖe sia ɖe li be Ken Ofori-Atta edzagɔ ta susu ma ta yo dro nya nɛ le emegbe yi ke be mɔɖeɖe li nenema be woadro nyae ɖe esime ke ŋutɔ meli o, gake eva dze be meva le nenema o ko wasu koklo dɔka mí xexem alebe wo gbagba dzem be yewoa ahi kɔkɔ va Ghana dukɔ me. Míaƒe OSP adi ɖe red alert agadi ɖa afi adi ɖa fugitive adi ɖa kple nuwo fũu ko eva wɔ abe ke míaƒe OSP Attorney General la ame evea la mova nyateƒe tom na mí o alo nya yi ŋutɔ nye nyawo megblɔm na mí o. Ke míegake tsɔ ye míegasesem tso míaƒe Foreign Affairs Minister NDC to ƒe darling boy Samuel Okudzeto Honorable ame yi ke Global Info Analytics to gblɔ be voter to mɔ kpɔm be wòava nye aflaga tsɔna ne NDC to leke míawo míegblɔ ge darling boy ko darling boy ta míaɖe asi na wo nenema. Dovia va gblɔ na mí be yewo le dzeɖoɖo me kple Amerika dukɔa yi ke Amerika dukɔa de dziƒo na yewo alo le dzeɖoɖoa ma fia ba fi ke azɔlia ɖo fia dzedzem abe ma dzidzi wa Ken Ofori-Atta anye ame yi ke atrɔ va wo de dukɔ me, anye ame yi ke atrɔ va wo de dukɔ me. Medze ma gblɔe be heya enye politician ƒe ŋkpo. Nu ka te fe nye politician ƒe ŋkpo? Politician adze be na gbonya ɖe ne me yiwo kplɔ ɖo egɔme nye be heyi ke mía nɔviwo le opposition wogblɔ nya geɖewo yiwo xlẽ ga nagbo be nenye be gamewo nye ga yiwo ke le amewo gbɔ ne yewo va yewo xɔxɔ ge. Eyi ke mí nu ƒom fifi le ya kavege hã womekpoe xɔ haɖeke o. Kavege hã womekpoe xɔ haɖeke o. Mí gabiabiam be gamewo ɖe heka yewo xɔ ge na mí ye wòva zu be Ken Ofori-Atta kokoko vava ge fi xɔ ga nye menya ne Ken Ofori-Atta ɖoko Ghana ƒe gake fia kɔkɔ dzoe lo alo ɖoko Ghana ƒe agbalẽwo kɔkɔ dzoe kɔkɔ va adro nyamemawo yi kɔ yi ɖe gamewo xɔ ge na mí o. Wobe ŋgɔgbe nya zɔli ŋgɔgbe nya zɔli. Ken Ofori-Atta ƒe lɔyawo gbɔgblɔm fia be Ghana dukɔ nye ame yi ke afɔ dem afɔtome ne yewo ene Ken Ofori-Atta ƒe ablɔɖe kpɔkpɔ to visa kuxe yawo me. Enye nu yi ke wɔm blanui. Medzidzi o, Ambassador Smith na míenya be yewo be yewodo asi ɖe Ken Ofori-Atta gbɔ yewo ne kpekpeɖeŋu alebe Ken Ofori-Atta be yi maɖo dze kpli wo le yewo ƒe esenyalawo megbe o. Fi mae mekpɔe le be Ghana dukɔa gbagba dzem be yewoaɖe afɔ ɖe kple Ken Ofori-Atta. Ta nenye be the darling boy ame yi ke vota to be yewo yi koe NDC to yo le vote abe yikwe aflaga ji no gen NDC ovanye dukplola na yoa gado kple eƒe nya ya menye nane ke wɔm kunam hama gafia ko be wo gbagba de sia de dze alo nya ke lawyer wo gblɔ be edze be Ken Ofori-Atta ne gbɔ va ava do nya wo ŋua ikoe mo gale now mi va Ken Ofori-Atta ƒe gbɔgbɔ magbɔa mi gale ŋku ɖe nke Tony wona mia be mia former finance minister ameke wo dɔ fetsuma xɔe eƒe lãmegble eƒe alɔme yiwo gbɔ kpɔm yiwo nye dɔkta wo gblɔe be eƒe lãme mese haɖeke ne wòazɔ mɔ o susu ma ta yiwo dzi be ne nɔ anyi ne yewoakpɔ si ŋu ta meɖo dze abe Ken Ofori-Atta ɖo tsitsim ɖa le nya biabia loo alo le ʋɔnu gbɔ va yia elɔ ɖe dzi be o nenye be wòanyo ɖe keke ma nenye be woate ŋuti aɖo dze kpli nya yiwo be yewoabia yia egba internet kple nuwo li ne nɔ anyi ɖe akpa me nyame le akpa yi go dzia o ɖe míaɖo dze faa nya yi ke li ya míagblẽ gake awo OSP be kpakpakpakpa yi ma lɔ Attorney General be gbeɖegbeɖe ma dze dzi o yiwo dzi be Ken Ofori-Atta ne va dukɔ me kokoko yewoali ade gasi nɛ atutu ʋuɖome nɛ Ghana to nakpɔ be yewolé Ken Ofori-Atta la nya ma yewo gbena Ghana to be yewolé Ken Ofori-Atta nye ma Ken Ofori-Atta ƒe afi vava elele bail condition nagbo dada ɖe dzia ema ɖeɖe mewoe fia be nya yawo gblɔ ɖe ŋutia enye nya yi ke nya teƒe o haɖeke o ita ye wogbe be naza bubu ta nye ƒe mɔkpɔkpɔ nye be abe ame ɖeke ne le gɔmedzedzea me gblɔe be nenye be wòanyoa Ken Ofori-Atta ne ko ambulance elabe yame ambulance li ne wòanyoa ne Ghana dukɔ hã te ŋu ya no ɖo dze ne woako ambulance lɔke kɔkɔkɔkɔ va Ghana dukɔ me ne wòva Ghana dukɔ me ɖe ne nya tutu lia ne woabie ne míakpɔ egɔme nye be nyateƒe nye wònye be nya yawo gbɔ ɖe ŋuti ya ɖo le mee ne evɔa mi nya be ʋɔnkoe nya ame ɖeka pɛ ke ŋutia ku nya ma gblɔ be nu ya ne wɔa ele me fast forward míaƒe Attorney General ƒe posture yi ke be ŋutɔ va zu eƒe prosecutor va zu eƒe judge enye enu yi ke fu ɖem egɔme nye be nenye be ne gblɔ be ame ma eɖu ga ta emɔ yi ge godoo alo yewo gaxɔ ge sia efia be etsu kufia ni ho ta nu ka te le ya ne gbɔ va ɖo edo kusi ɖe va gbe ŋu ta nye hã nenye nyi wònyea ma bu tame ɖeka eve etɔ̃ etsia nye gbɔgbɔ la va nye ŋutɔ miade egɔme nye be nenye be miade xodzo ye amedzrodzukɔ me xɔna ma tɔmi be kai be wɔ nenye wòe nanɔ amedzrodzukɔ me nenye wòea anɔ amedzrodzukɔ me ta le akpa ɖogo ma mese ɖe gɔme egɔme nya yawo katã míegblẽ nya tso gɔmedzedzea eyi ke ko Attorney General kple OSP woko media public ni abe woƒe ʋɔnu ene koa afi me ko kuxia dze vava le nye ma fi me kuxia dze vava le nye ma eƒe biabia nye be ɖe Attorney General kple OSP ʋɔnu aɖe eyae nye press conference wɔwɔ awo ɖi lɔya ya kɔ ʋɔnu yiwo dro nya le ʋɔnu yiwo ha nya le ta nenye be ŋutɔ tso kufia nam hegbɔgbɔna be wòmava la naneke meli wɔ ge na mo la wohã le ŋku ɖe nya ya ŋu kpɔ nya nenye nyia yemava go ta mese gɔme ne Ken Ofori-Atta mema kɔkɔ wu ŋkui ɖe koe nye be ele be Ghana dukɔ nane mɔ be process nyuitɔa na wɔ nu ka na yi dzi womegato megbe ava nɔ nu bubu aɖeke wɔm yi ke awɔe be emɔ nyui yi ke Ken Ofori-Atta kple eƒe lɔyawo woazɔa wova blɔ fɔ na wo ne wɔ nenema la anye nu yi ke aɖe fu na Ken Ofori-Atta kple eƒe lɔya alo miame yiwo ke kpe be ele be ʋɔnu koe nye anyinɔƒe ɖeka yi ke koe ate ŋuti agblɔ be ame ya nya agɔdzela alo ame ya menya agɔdzela o so fifi la ya mi ŋu ƒome la Kenoforiata, until proven otherwise, is guilty. He's not guilty. Kafla. No, he could cover Ghana to come by your Mangpugua. A fact woman and a coganio. As you do by your recommendation of Blogo. Ni yaka evidence yakale. Attorney General she. Obey a cocoa either one way. Let cocoa either one way. It I never over leper. But you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. That is just decided by the Imam Pogumi of one, Yakalanyashi of one. Yababiam. Take a bomb yellow, need of one. In your lump, young, no more boha, I think Chadrunya. I think Chadrunya, Tony. Akba, Makusarafia.
Yo, Hakba, Nupala. Emos Wilson, you get the young NPP, le, Chinamaja, Tomope, and Yama, Miss Yakwa. Mchocho Nova Fa +233242670 in your number ikejimia to acheka kwa mbobere akamarek magayom ado amaromi no yoyom de wonama menye yomi pe yi menye ya tamire kuku na matemwa ngunu ha woyade do fokale your late MPs body detained as Bole chief. Others demand nearly 1 million from family in protracted land dispute over anything. Honorable late MP's body detained as Bole chief. Others demand nearly 1 million Ghana cedi from family in protracted land dispute. MP, NDC MP, Katroma na Bole to. Wanya ea lejaja mafia opira ko over o jibe orashi nchila ukwanchi be na audio. Tension is mounting in the Sawia Tuna Saula Tuna Kalba district following a standoff between the family of the late NDC MP for the area, Joseph Truma Bayel, and traditional authorities over the continued detention of the body of the Sola at the Sola Hospital mortuary. The chiefs are demanding 944,955 as a compensation set to cover legal costs from a long-running land dispute involving the late MP and the former and current chiefs of Tuna. His son, Richard Truma Bayel, told Joy News in a telephone interview that the whole situation is disgraceful and embarrassing. And I'm quoting the son, Richard. Why is the whole thing like this? It is disgraceful and very embarrassing that somebody who served his country and has been called to his maker, and we are having difficulties in performing his funeral rites. He stood for the right cause. He was not violent. He went to court over something he thought was wrong. Why should that be an issue? Or are we now living in a banana republic where the rich and strong now allow the weak and poor to suffer? He complained. Mr. Richard Bayel also confirmed that the chief of Tuna told the family that the issue he had with our late father, he has spent more than 1 million cedis, which we have to pay. We have to pay before they will consider allowing us to have the funeral of our late father. But the question is, what will be the reason for paying that money? What did our father do wrong by going to court? Don't sons and daughters of the region go to court? Or is he the first to send a chief to court? Mr. Bayer explained that the medical director of the hospital, one Dr. Roger, told him that he has received a call from the chief of Sola ordering him not to release our late father's body to us. And he said the mortuary attendant was as well instructed not to release the body to us. And that's where we are currently, he stated. The secretary of the Bole chief, Haruna Obe, confirmed that the family would have to withdraw the court case and pay the full amount demanded or be forced to bury the deceased outside the region. They can't bury him, late MP, without withdrawing the case from court, or they can not bury in our land. They can find a place in Tamalewa, Wechao. The families are there. They can go and do the burial there. Story akhlem nyare jojom le bolentome I boleto so takbe ame la hokoto ke tromegbe penchila kuku ele pefafaji ke efia de bebon garashi nchila kuku nchine via Richard we banova idio eji bloboma MP hoko Kenya district MP ke tromegbe diga le va engbajine anyigba nyare koko ide ko yi kana be abe million de kavana yo maho gama they ata nobody akwasese to ke yo cho wo fofo kuku Kenya MP kuku apa nchila ko ide tamale gbagba alo nto bubu ke ko fun to la ka ya yo tui keji efiagun ro mo pomo adi wo fofo ran gbajo ala ba rufe alo efe bave na yo ejebe o khafata yo Dr. Roger ke kona konji aji ike palo jenye mortuary alo amekuku jaro fa ho yo amekuku jaro fa jipolo ha ba mopomo da shi bolempi ho kwa pe nchina pomo ke via ba o nke ajim gana ke ayole tu ko kame ayole ke fia ba na onye chito alo onye hokito ko o amarka malina yo fufu ya kuko yo di ko yo pompona jakonya eko ejiko ya yo la lo ya gamale yo shota. He noted that it is only the burial that they are against because he, the late MP, had been in contention with the former and current chiefs of Tuna. So currently the people there are agitating that he cannot be buried in the land. Takbira kwa MP ya kukunfia chachitere fia huko kule ya koro njoenchi plus suba gaho iko blen de anyigba nyanchi alo gaho kwa anyigba ka open guy ka donto anyigba menya 1 million de MP apa afoyo de ronchita ko anya ya bazu anya chichi honorable matro honorable Raphael nchi mi apa MP nya makajiba sanya go
Tony enye enubla nunya fifila de enya yokele fofo de te le MP ike hevlo alo etro megbe fe ekuko no pele pe didi pe nya yokele fofo de te ewo nubla nui meko sebe ye mekadeji be edudesia de fe mo popo pele pe didi nyebe o fe dumevi ono akpongo yi in this case mekadeji be the late MP fe elevation vado status ba data pele bobo covenant enutuome meko sebe kadodo nyu ha eno odome na be oda kone be o avanye yo tepe no la le se o tape piemi ke le emozozo me alo kege yo vale ya ejebe anyigba nya de vagede the late MP pele efia ha odome ke mekadeji be wa gbelele o fe gododo me ike go mesese meva mi ape do lesi edemo be nenye be enya de hedo vodi alo ememeko alo egede amevedo me ke o gbele o mese o me ogoma wa to an yivonu be bonu ne wa pomeda ejebe mi adejesi be ne do vonu medron alo mecho afia alo bo for the sentiment ple seselena me ple enu bobo ji oke enu ikenye evidence eyaji wocho afia alo wa bu fodo mekwe sebe the anyigba in question ne le podo me enye ple enye ovele a hele poli ho me le fi ne nyebe mi je enya bule the studio ikemile with regards to ownership mekatoe Himia mevemile gbalomele mesewa. Tepe ike ole be mia iko nyebe mia ivonu. Eye na mi do vonwa. Enu yoke afia enu tonyenye abe anyi gbagbanle pleto wa. O ya mia hedego. Alebe ne vonu hekponu yawa ayi. Ava wo efenu mekuku peti alebe nenyebe nu yoke opo di ponea ke wa achu afia. Mekwesebe afomako the late MP ha ede hafi jogbe voento ya ova atro megbe yike umeto npo etana enyao lemia fe ameibo nyigbaji ya ne amede hetro megbe veveto honya mewonu tefe ya bubuma mele yike mi die wenyebe wadie pe muti na kokode wo de nyigbaji ekema akpo ameyoka wodopli wava enoto mame ava debuma len eta hemele jojole de late MP fe eku al pe megbewa enye enu ike edefu efia hawo fe enya ike ji otodo nyebe le epenya koko ivonwa yo do fe abe million de kai kenye ganaga eta yiwa hia egama be fu me ne wa ako egama anayo on another condition be enya ike helevonwa wa adenya ike me story anyi mekponya nenye be anyi gba ike vlana it is the late MP the day ele anyi gba vlen bele efia how de efen komelo alo ufefu me fen kome ole anyi gba vlen da levonu no nye efen kome ike wo tro megbedi onye ya deka abele ike me na kpode ngudongo no nye ya deka fe nkome ole anyi gba hedodi levonwa the late MP eto vovona evie eto vovona amedeka de sia de plepe pome tabe wa va biacho efome alo evie aussi be ne wa va kefema afi wa adenya chelevonu be yewa na mo be wadi de ode awo menye esenyala menye yawo kake le enyonu popopele no vi ke menyame ya me hosebe esoso vide ke enu yike ma do adanko na mia pellet MP fe evia opele fomeo le efia hawo kwenye be le enyadesi ademea ne mi vono kwa alomi gede eseta ogba ade we odo adango nami bebe muti fafane no anya mi agbogbo yi ava no anyi le afeme akpo nya afenya tefeo mi agbele aseme la bene mi vono cha amedo ko ile nya agbologbe wa va cho afia ike wo cho ne deji ola akpo ye agbologbe enya afia jojo na me deji ola akpo ko ki la afia chuchu ogun da be emuti fafa anu anyi to MP apekuo efe ekuwo bele ekuwo vo pe megbe ike evio bele fo me ole kwa ene enya ya o me lenyu de wala egbo ketoge wa vazo eholonya de fo me ekpele efia ha odome ike mana ngo yi avano to mama yata ma de kuku de sia de benu kake wolanye ike wo mele onu yogomesewa amechicho no gbogbo be ta frache vi megbelen fofo fe tata ko 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 pa ne da mi wa di emonu nwe de sia de ike nye ADR nenye be o me di be yiwa agaye nya jile vonu be wa va ko yi wa va gbelen amenu gbe pe ku pe o ne akpave o se gome wa temu agbugbo ayi ava khonya le vonu akovega kele ya opeti ma acho party evia wa kenye fia how pele the late MP evia pele efefo me ogbo kake le ya opeti ma ele be mi akpo nti fafa ike anon moto me bele ike anabengo yo ava ele be mi akpo yada ame sumboto of interest ko amedika de kauto yata le enosianu me mi atekpo ne mi afokoko na epome alo party eveyao emegolo be party amenye edunya gbolo hawo efia hawole nuto mame bole nuto mame le the late MP Beppo meto be nu ka ke olanya menye media space eya melena na gbe enya afao ke bon abele ike mi lejiro amede ha ayi mejiro pe ike waga vaza enya gbede o ike ma so to mena akpade ko akpobe enya egale gbele alo egale vododeji ta ele ike ole menye be o hwese be vonu eya ko adro efimi yo akpo nya mekokole ke no le vonu pe mo ike oje no le medasika ke ma agadota frache na mi apedungo no au be wa tekpo na wa agedeme adoada una kpavi be motifafa na wa anwanyi be wa ton adebubu amle the late MP emu le efe ekuwo mi
yo nukwala ma dakwana mi abalek mi gapoto eli plimiene pengbati for ndiona enya jim ke Tony Magboy enya mi aplom America phone dongwa enya honorable Raphael Walasi dogbe ikanye for Clefer Amachantom electoral area for member of the assembly. Da matrore emoswo senchi emoswo sen da nyamune MPP le miako chichina Amachantom la honto mafia kamile alo iha na le husu agbocho bolefia for bayo de na mochi dollar pour konji ke kwa mochi aji ba omogarashi NDCMP ikazo amengbe fia for nchilanchi ba wodio ala ba arufa aba 1 million cedis lenchi ala ba koi de bonga anyi banyareta de gama hoga fio di na ngbaje mama no mia oko nchila koi de betang to buma aba idi ala ba anyi gba la yo nyi fio yan bato yo malolo ga o kwala ngbaje di amara ngbaje gawi ya gochi echo versus akotare duaja ko min kunare nyang majibo no we mostly na nya bare do vichi o da go na mi aya bia wede nsema le fia o shibe ogbolo o ma me dige da nyi baji nsema fike fia o le fia le mi apo duplo se kule po duplo runchi ke velia de enya kala hom yikama de fia jere fia tazayonse le moya ba le zam chi fia wa ko fa gala ba nya le hom ka ko ma ke pujiba na za akoduji afi na nye gama hola aka go rombo yeze gaya o pleto ta inchila kuko nchi o munchila mo gara shinchila enya sese vie honorable
yo akpa Tony in fact masanya ya nya paji vuvu la ba gba manya am kpotu adakaji nya ya jojomdo former MP makaraji be amade ka serve that same constituency for that matter that particular area ye makaraji be na mi ide sola egba ni akpo MP apedo na o la fima ye MP amako asa alo former MP ameka ide ngbe fia mako asa derekwishi ba de ma hin ha nye MP kpo alo nye MP ta yakọ akọta gbaja avaji akọta gantodo ava darango yo intimidate efia ple amamle o hana enya kele wonu alo nya keta ide wonu do ka bon achi wonu yum akwa enya ba madeke na ma khona bon jise na legbegbe agwa menya bede ne nya ba amave o tukara ma amatoli eduro onya ye mie ne nya ba enure de funamia mi na de fia pema makaraji be honorable assembly member la fia jigada oyo ne da nyaoji nto e makai be na fia pema da nyaota kemenya ba nya jode jumavi wala fia jide fika igola oyi da bon makbeba enya afonya de kemenya ba former MP made now ne nya ba MP da foya vo ye le nyam mafia ma fia ba ocho nyamo Afia ba enya ga le bon. Ye nuke jo, nuke mela jo, amava tro megbe. Akpaba le miaba kpaji ya ado yila. Enye na nse safi ni nye be amade pa amado nya blim. Ye amava tro megbe a. Amado gbona ba enya eku ya momoko. Tamado jina ba yo a glen ku den kpara ba nuka tututu na afia me enye megbe tro la yo len ku den. Kaka divina malonya sana. Le nyamu bo de ke me ducho amayin gba via ogbo. Alo via gbo. Now, going forward, nous se ka tututu le fiashi. Ikaba wa detain amayingbe adede ekpefafa jibu omega dio. Bide ejulise ya kalile miakata ko mama kariba ejulise ma du fia haji. Afiade kama pa ujulisa. Itade enye mesanyala wonu blamina kakamba o. Afiantebe ele bo khefona la baye gbele galon. Akpea nyame garobi bia biambe nusema ka nufia oshi no gbotro nsema na. Akene nyeba aleka ebu oba za nsema ka taflache metro susu afia ba nyeba afia atencha da for ya nke fia ba afia matencha globa abana jago na bibia ibere fia kwa globa no nya orewe ipanyi gbajio onye na na ike dejipo gbede ya tade ni ya elebe amayin gba pe fi onu gbugbo tro yi de von no ba gbe le von be ni ya le nya nwi jojo menye na mi gbo ni be efiawe nya nyi gba to aketoni nya te pe nya be anyi gba ode if you can't tell Ghana to cover income. Yes, sumata jukpolola ikeni ko nso katana atincha chogba va gboba ahoshia aleola ibono kake no gboju ado je pe fio na fia ogbe kra atincha ze pe nsa wa kake jukpolola atincha chogba ba ni apa homo ga lo pa ibi ami nami efiawo adoli akene bene jo ajo tanyanyi la ma biacho fume ya shibe o maga to da fia leye bo to do bon for it. This is a former MP bagagbo makelu former MP yiji anye do jomro yebe da pebe anye alo anye MP no NDC 30 kg ye egba ye mejibe kafla ginyagbo ha na jidodui akpo mi afia na da for ya akpo ado ya de mi apo vote keji mi lecho ajuma ye de ba he afia na fo mu nyicho mi anta ado yila ale kemia ye hard on afia wa mi gbugbo na remogbe akede ma dem yaji abaju koine nenye be nu sei kemi gbogbo mbe na trova fia ogbo ye afia oje afoya o dede afia be fofoli nto ne mi mana o nsema ba o ha o pon to me ya bu fia daji ni ka jasho na we toni bia nye be le ka tutu no go le nenye be sola nto mo to cho gbagiji be aw afia ya bu afo na yo alo pomotoma amasha pomola shilo ye pomotoma holo MP afafa na mo de ba hin kafla NDC to o cho de fia nde nyaka gbege fia le fia gbege NDC to cho de yo pomoto cho de yo kaka nyate kwede e de bo nyate kwa na jonya awu ya manya sa gbede nukpena nuka wenye ya Efia gbogbo na mi ba bon yiyia. Menya muni onyore. Bon yiyia. Menya muni onyo. Na ma che efia gbogbo na ni egba nyema. Agbo me yeba ne yeba nde de bichi na. Ime ide bon. Bo ma senya me koko. Yi ta flache. Ekuva plon. Jojo me kuyo. Amade bi do mo. Ni me nyao. Ni ma tincha gbolo ka kan ni ka ko mi e tru me gba. Lepo bo tru mo ko obo mo chu fia ha. Ko fo afia bo no cho ife ko ba na. La ba egblaga. Nukata. Amu tru me gba ha o dro nya la fo nwe. Amu tru me gba ha o dro nya la fo mo fe ama tru me gba te so nya ga ire ji la fo. Ta enyala menya segbedegbede afia me kanji be ayo nya ya sem le media fifi la afia me kanji ba tro susu akana ma tro susu a kanya menya le kin gbana gbogio na ma tro susu a menya le kin gbana gbogio na fia ma me te tro susu a agokolia ha etro susu e agokolia etro susu ma te gba ni ga tinchi da ga ngoche Aba gokoli ligba akona mi na te mo tru susu a
ma gokoli ma e galifio
igbo mo la ni mo nya tata
o ba gokolo
agokoli ape
agokolo ji me bi o tru
susu agokoli mo ji me bi o tru susu ta efia ma ha me jara gba na to so lo be amu ade no ti ma po ha fi ha fa ta wo pogego o fi afa no no mo ple amamu ka fa yifa no no mo de o to nya ba egbe Ghana fa afia dudua afa zo ba competition ta mamma fia maka no mama no do puma ya no a wadi popo ma ka wenye ya di popo mo nya ka ta nya ma chideji ada kuku na jukpro labede na gede nya ya ma fi of aji kokko aji de agwa wenye ba mu maka komo jem la fa fifi la ya so ni awonu kuna oba fi nya magbona to dogodo a Ni va si echoma manya kpo. De kujogo mo grade nya. Fi wa va dodo choa. Ni si ya wo nkura ngo. Oh, enwu ya ko du mo ra vie mi susubo. O gbaga se gomo a. E ya ba zo popule yia. Tabi de kukuba. This is a security threat. Security threat nya. Dale bo gere mo pata. Afu mu na fia. Wa se gomo. Ademo no de fia oba. No di ofufo da fima. For all you know, kra adamahi unchwa f for fima no cho fima dai mati gbe fia o ke no kwiko ilo da de ha di ha e mai ko touch of me ke serve me a wa tru magbe a na gbe wono ko be di de fo bu ko nye be so lo ko ta waso suma abai gblega no brand nya
akpe Amos Wilson communication team member na Ho Central MPP for Egbe Dachima misenya salao plan kuola opo gasheke ma ho don chuchu plan no trova mi azora ngotoni mabwenye ma
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew where the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too, yeah. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, sky can says if only. torn slip but not by another. We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only, Sky King says if only you knew. You point your finger, but who heals the pain? You share the gossip, but who feels the shame? My tears a river, no eye has seen. Don't laugh at my story till you know where I've been. If only you knew. No man cries without a reason. We're all broken, but we're still breathing. If only you knew. The sky can we rise by helping others, so feel your brother's pain.
Yo, nous parlons d'accord ami. Mi le voyons gati bi pen di wana ki to ni makwenye mi aklo me d'accord ami me d'accord ma bale ke mi hoji body na magava ho do mo chuchu pi maga trova ke enye to ni magwe mi aklo mi aklo gbeda show no ba fa ngam susu. Number alo kapojeshi ikajina 1000 ad o tansusu ako adorami abaleke manami nyanya nyima amiapa yo honda wana mo mitan foga wodle tiaji fifia ni ke miata ko be miangulo so dora no mi mi magakana nyo jijibe ibon fona na vamia bola bodo mahi wo na wana ngo mo te mango atengwa do voice message la mi alo au kala ko ramiko mi foga mi apa modang dollar si trokanchi o su bela sinya khre da na ma mi anko semla be ngati viji la Facebook. Remember la Facebook, like, share, comment. These are the 3 beautiful things you can do to show your love and support for our channel. Ma Azorengo MPP's decline began in 2007. Tanko computer NTC tofe Tanko computer gadanya reblo ike naba muga ponchonchi chovu. The New Patriotic Party started losing its core values in 2007 when they elected Nana Akufo-Addo as the presidential candidate instead of Alan Shamantain, according to Rashid Tanko Computer, acting CEO of GIFEC and Deputy Director of Elections for the National Democratic Congress. Domagana GIFEC, Jiruwa Doveka Bona Modam, Breva Mom, Hokovatu Kome, Mama Plenchido, Plameke Ganye Parento, Ne Ameke Bona Akodanya ole indisi, Dunya Ramale Kanakataglokutu. Nya ega le fia bo blombe MPP ton to dunya ha je gbagban le 2007 maima to kopla kano je ajenya kufo vela henya mamneto me mawi akoda ga na me catch of laga now ko je watcha la cash boy la chamantia to ba chona na kufuaro fuma pati aje kaka kalema. According to Chiwi report, Tanko Computer made a statement emphasizing the MPP's decision was a turning point in the party's decline. He believes the party's choice led to a loss of focus on core values and principles. Tanko Computer's comments come amid ongoing internal conflicts within the MPP, with some members calling for reforms and introspection following their defeat in 2024 elections. The MPP lost over 50 seats in parliament, reducing their representation to 81
seats. The NPP the NDC on the other hand secured over 180 seats, forming a significant majority in parliament. Tanko Computer attributes the NDC's victory to their party's commitment to accountability and representativeness to the needs of Ghanaians. And according to a Ghana Web report as well on this, the MPP's defeat has sparked intense debate within the party, with some members questioning the leadership strategy and decision-making processes. The party is expected to undergo significant reforms to remain on its footing in Ghana's politics. So, we'll put this together. So, we nyajojo kaka nya political story, real hot political story this morning. And computer tanko kwa nyayo gagbro, but kaka kufuo moli ko ina koda ge oje bochalan cash over chiana na kufu ado ko pati aje kwa chofuma nge hanyabe mi dora pon mi ashifia kuruma na no vikpom le apology ala be kaka varo ko apoto oba chaka oba dako achia mekenyo ko flaga chola le apwe ke apoton ko bona pa ko ke da ke mi almata ke mi dako le il travaille mais 2024 pas quoi mi dans John la pachigba mi pauvre MP homme blaton il connaît MP au kata au dogora le parlement après NDC to ko aussi kabo ga bujile te pe aro tusia abe 186 mal NDC shi que 81 que ma vale NPP shi ko aba parti abolo bojon chu ka ko mi atai la computer tant que vous soumwa ya demo kwa nyame ye over dorokibo alright
yeah Tony amede ya buibe ena ya enye atigli nyufume openya mahia be mi hito mia adenu meza kake ekwa political party eike onya meet requirement opete hold them as a political party kwa as a national asset elabe academia fe du come godo ata party de sia de penya ekanovie le modern kokoko elabe ne maso jego mecho party ma kwa academia fe no to pete me akakade du ko pete me agbe de sia de hele Ghana eleveve de nami ne lenko de enyaike computer tanko hehede egoa mikpo NPP fa flaga chuchucho edubo ahin leto kakavato His Excellency John Agyekum Kufuor hafi wavado the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo afi avado Alhaji Dr. Bawumia nekpo transition echo edubo ahin vado Kufuor fe nukia akpobe le asido lidoli mamea enu yoke kpo mi legbea mi mekpo efe sugbo towo of course mia aglobe politics is that game of interest neme no anyi de camera open kumele fi hema aglobe atogbe mejo na le NDC ola madala pa mia pe enukpo la opele nya se la wa do aside nkumenam journal political party de siade kakene ojoa eleike ukolenya pele ameyoke heseveve nyenu vevito now nek bocho reike otia the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo be wanye aflaga chola kwa ya otogwi ono didi miss enya de over yike nyamaton confirm where obe the former president John Agyekum Kufuor ntokra mekbo jijole efetatiamu kake eike onye kpo de kamela onye onye tefe ono hoho data ekonpe ekomidela demegbeni eleike owa tenwi nekpo echo emayi mekwa megbele dongo bele NDC fengole amikpo the likes of Gusitano Dr. Obeda Samoa kple tɔwo wodo le NDC me kpɔ eye eyi ke ametsitsiwo wokpɔ be no woƒe dodo anye nu yi ke agblẽ nu le partia ŋu wogbugbɔ va yɔ wo eye wodo xɔ me da li eye edzɔ le Alan Trematin kple Nana Akufo-Addo ƒe ŋɔni hã mikpɔ Alan Trematin ƒe dodozi gbãtɔ elabe nekpɔ NPP woawo mele abe mi NDC tɔ miawo NDC tɔ mi nye National Democratic Congress eyi ke miawo mi xɔe de me be Ghana tɔ ɖe sia ɖea ate ŋu anɔ ŋgɔ na miaƒe party togbɔ be mitɔ asi akɔ mi gblɔna be partia mia Volta-tɔwo ƒe party hã ne le ŋku ɖe ame yiwo ke nɔ ŋgɔ na partia ba flaga tsɔ la kple subsequently wova zu dukɔkplɔlawo le NDC ƒe tiketia womenye wo ƒete eya nye Volta-tɔwo eye ame ɖeka ve ɖewo manya do dzidzɔ na wo gake ɖe gɔmeɖokpe yi ke hele miaƒe party si ta miami xɔe de me be henya nye Ghana-tɔ he enya wɔ nuteƒe le NDC me ko le aɖuƒe anɔ asi we gake ne va miatɔwo NPP-tɔwo gbɔ until wòva ge ɖe na Akufo-Addo ƒe ɣeyiɣiwo mea minɔ sese be tradition ɖe le wo si mise Dombo Bozia tradition kple etɔwo kaka yi ke fia be partia enye eƒe ke tso Ashanti nuto me eya ta zi geɖea wodi be partia ƒe aflaga tsɔ la ne wòa atso Ashanti nuto me elabe fi ma partia kpɔ ŋusẽ le hafi va ge ɖe Eastern Region kple tɔwo dome ke ne kpɔ Nana Addo ɖe ŋkɔ Akufo-Addo ƒe tatia kple ƒe dukɔkplɔla ɖoɖo vɔ megbea akpɔ be gɔmeɖokpe yi ke henɔ NPP si henye Ashanti nuto mea akpa gãtɔ ɖuƒe gãtɔa eva dzo trɔ va Eastern Region nutowo me eƒe ɖe mi discuss va yi heva nye Kenoforiata kple etɔwo eye akpɔ be ame yiwo ke va nye dudɔnunɔla do ŋkuwo la geɖe wo va ge ɖe Eastern Region nuto me eyi ke wɔe be ame geɖe yiwo ke henya tradition yi ke nɔ NPP sia nye NPP wo medze la wo menɔ dzidzɔ kpɔ le ŋu now efi yi ke enumɔ va ɖo fifia ne menya wɔwɔa le emegagbɔ eŋu nɔgbe elabe le kɔsi magblɔ be le kɔsi ɖe eve ɖewo ƒe megbea NPP-tɔwo va tia aflaga tsɔ la eye mi le NPP ƒe agbɔnugla eyiwo ke le vevesesewo ta wogado kplɔ Alan Trematin ɖo eyi ke UP2 ya eya wokɔ ve fifia woge ɖe wodze eyome eye ame yiwo ke hedo ŋku le ame mawo me hema agblɔ ƒe ɖewoe nye Dr. Nyahota Meklo eyi ke NPP-tɔwo le nana ɖewo le nana mi nya fifia be eya mele founding fathers wo me o alo founders wo me o na NPP gake nu yi ke mi nya do ŋgɔa eya hã nye ame yiwo ke eɖo NPP gɔme anyi meka ɖe dzi be ne nye ƒe evelia le nu ƒoa ate ŋu akɔ me na mi nyuie ɖe elabe eƒe aƒemenyawoe mi eye ne gakpɔ ame bubu yiwo ke hele woƒe vevesese ɖe gblɔ ɖe ele yi ke Nana Akufo-Addo kɔ to maɖomaɖo eye ɖewo gblɔ be arrogance ame mabumabu aglãdzedze kɔ kplɔ NPP medo dzidzɔ na wo eyi ke wonɔ gblɔ wogbe wo menɔ to ɖo wo ta eva dze gaglã le 2024 elections be efi yiwo ke nye NPP ba ƒe gãme efi yi ke mate ŋu agblɔ NDC nya le no va edziɖuɖu le parliamentary seat wokura NDC va xɔ ezimawo eye ame yiwo ke hese veve ame yiwo ke kukutri heɖo party egɔme nye abe Dr. Nyahota Meklo kple ame yiwo ke nye NPP ƒe agbɔnugla yiwo ke kpɔ nuteƒe eyi ke wole konyi fa la ame yiwo ke hedo megbe va ge ɖe NPP ma wogbe be yiwo maɖo to wɔ ewɔe be egbea NPP ele mamawo ele yi ke mi nye tsã ame ɖe agblɔ be ele be ne dzɔdzi na mi NDC ƒome gake nenye be mi anɔ ezi dzi alo mi anɔ dukplɔ eye makpɔ responsible opposition eyi ke awɔe be mianɔ miaƒe afɔ ve dzi akpɔ gbɔ be nu yi ke hiã na Ghana ƒe ŋgɔ yi kple Ghana ƒe nyonyo miawɔe ko nye be amewo ɖewo avɔ ko NDC egblẽ enyo mianɔ wɔ ɖe kple ɖea anyenu ike ahe Ghana ƒe afɔ ɖe megbe eya ta NPP ƒe gbagba le mɔdenu ado dzidzɔ na mi NDC tɔwo gake ne be yakpɔ the national interest enyenu ike ohia be miase veve elabe opposition ike le afɔ dzia eya na be government eyike le zidzia eli afɔ anyi le nu ike wo be yawɔ opposition agblɔ be afɔ ike wo be yaɖe ama de mia dzi le ŋgɔgbe ta gbogbo le ŋku ɖe ŋu ne na wɔ dzadzraɖo kple ɖɔɖɔɖo eye wowɔe akpɔ gbɔ be dua eɖe zɔ le ŋgɔ nyinyawo me eya ta enya ike computer tanko he gbɔla enye nyateƒe eye miagblɔ be enye open secret be ame sia ame yi ke he follow Ghanaian politics agblɔ be Nana Addo Dankwa ƒe tatia abe aflaga tsɔla ena be NPP edze mama tso ɣe ma yiwo me kaka va to eƒe dukpɔkpɔ va ɖo efi yi ke mi ɖo egbe gake le ɖe sia ɖe mea miadi dzɔgbenyui na NPP le woƒe ametatia yi ke hele mia ŋgɔ le ɣleti ya ƒe nuwuwu me eye miabia ŋuti fafa be wòanɔ me of course enya yi ke minɔ gbɔgblɔ alo minɔ bubu be le woƒe akɔdadawo mea woto efi mɔ geɖewo nu kple honyahonyawɔwɔ hafi kɔ ɖoa dzia eya nenye exception ne wa awɔe wòanye eyi ke me akɔ eyi ke le ewɔwɔ me kple ewɔwɔ vɔ megbea mimase be eʋu ɖeke kɔ ɖe anyi ame ɖeke ƒe agbe va yi tsɔtsrɔ̃ƒe ɖe ame ɖe yi ke adi be anɔ mia nu elabe ne nunɔla le he eyomedzelawo meli oa nunɔla ɖeke meli o. When you are a leader, you need followers. We can anon be wa afi wa ton a lord over amedewa elebe yu mejela ononwe. Ta midi jogbenyuna NPP tole ofe enu wona yame gake no way le mutifa fame be NPP ple Ghana agano anyi ayide ngo ape.
You know, Honorable Raphael Dogbe for Bedashema Domia Bom, me le Pemba TVG, me akbom le satellite G, Kamian Kosem le Facebook Live, que ni miatawa ne enye miano miapa Bedasho Dom Dami, miado miapa message show Dami, alabe miokatahlege ne Gamasu. Yo, Matro Honorable Wilson Chinyai le Tomenyo Tanko computer, you can give a talk for Doma Gagbo, Apple, a cho, and Yaro Durabe, Alan Chamato, the watch of Lagane, and PP, the 2007 allo for the Kaika Kotone, Kufona Rashidu Projianchi, Hafi, Gakai Manyanke Jofi, over Jobo Mecho, they ata over a cho Nanado Dankwa Kufuado. You come to nye nunola nyuareko Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuado ko nunola do kumanyanye yeva na bepatia egbagbang ba ochogo
Tony akpe gba ma agri categorically be former Dr. Tanko computer fanya ko gbomelete
nkenya former doctor.
Former doctor.
Ah, okay. Former doctor.
Former doctor.
Oh, okay. Okay, former PhD holder.
Former doctor.
Okay, masako mala.
Malako sako mala.
If you have a doctor that no shi akamu ga leshu. Okay. Sama.
Ema. Ta makara jibena nyeba amara di dima ka former doctor Tanko computer nya make ni agbaba didi. Agba nyeba na cho doctor. Na va zo abanye na ka obonwe didi kanye manya mfike osinyama lebe MPP adidi mcho 2007 now you see alaba miano view no segoma be anfofo yakachoa atekplo de tetekpom yiha nufofo adase magbele o alo evidence manonwu de oh, rodo ashira mafankuma. Tanzia, nyanyi waje maponko. Ele mapon with evidence and data. Agwa minya be data me dana lakpa. Ne me blea na made me khwede mola. Ke amantote we personal check. Tony, ma nyayi de megbe. Ayi de 2007 ya kafanya no efonya gbloa former doctor tanko computer gbloa ma aida magba gomnya banya manya nukata gbambe nya no vie ndisi to wo jana gbagba de sha de bana ni termina de election kwa wajibe yo cha flag bearer na mi o wawe wajibe yo cha flag bearer na mi anya masana gom nuka joafi vaya miesi ndisi to ba wala nchemante nyo nanado lale awaleka ndisi to campaign alanchemante yo eyo campaign alanchemante a yo mi pe bubo awde amopo futo mo do da nyile kana mo utamate chagbona mi be cha amare ko mi abechi nka kpon la fi be cha mo de e pa kliwe ina da hobli pa agbogbo na nya ebe ma che player yo le ka ala ma lan kura nwe afia ba ajibo ma che player yo ka po klomanyo po susu ya bana ye yida bo da pa de ya no so bi de dem na mi emi awe mi gbede ndi si ma cha flag bearer na mi o alaba no yida contest ama alaba la muleba jidudu ba so Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo shi America mima atenchi aglobe le upper political journey kafla alanchemante atenchi akoroki asopleo political journey mo and for that matter le achiglini junior gloham pe dowo mo ni echevo ami ba de hobibli ama akpagbanto mede Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ji o ike oyikple Vice President Mills. Alaba Vice President Mills ike hapli hokla Kufo. Alaba hayi je famate ti duju je to lafi va duji a. Nene me ojora Kufo Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo haji enyama. Kenuke vajo. Le 2016 the sitting president His Excellency John Kofi Dramani Mahama. Mi garama. Mi Kofi Kokwanya Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Mi garama nuke vajo sitting president lo. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo America dasha bitoma ko je fo matenchi dujiwa. Le je tonlia nuke vajo. Edu Eji almost close to 1 million votes, the biggest ever. The biggest ever political actor. The biggest ever Ghana for history so far. That is in 2016. Tababia former Dr. Tanko computer bedi. Leke ya mikoko didi. Emi dumiaji le nagbo ya. Leke ya mikoko didi. Now fast forward. Which of 2016 and 2020? Akpoba baba data madana lakpa. John Dramani Mahama aga gbogbo trovaka le 2020. Aka Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo koku aga duji aka le goyama edidivie aka jonada Ejona kwe na yebe mi de election ye first tema second tema ontoranya jukome ni ele sesela mola mo shita jijokpopo mo no na nyifu na mo na ebe mo yiji kwa mo gaba o tawo over ejia edidi na vie emi ra kota da mama Tony le 2020 ya John Dramani Mahama His Excellency Upon 6 million plus. You have 47.36%. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Koku Williams. Upon you have 6 million plus. You have 51%. Edidi mananema. Kaka podalo 6 million amo komo vaole. Gaka America 51, America 47. Data penya gomele. Niga yiji nenema. Emi ba yide 2024 no kata fi mo gbogboro nbe de NDC tó wá tin cha pojijo Yesu be de mahi elebo wono le na mi ale kafi meti no na mi ala ode yi pede won chi onye jidula gba maga touch data ke le 2024 John Dramani Mahama ikekpo 6 million le 2020 ya egakpo 6 million ake le 2024 egakpo 6 million ake ro aloma yo figure kata wonu mo na kona mu le 2020 ya John Dramani Mahama ekpo 6,213,182 yokpo vote okpo representing 47.36%. Kakpo 2024 da ekpo 328,397 representing 56.55%. Va Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo le 2020 ikokpo 6,730,587 representing 51. Now Dr. Mahmood Bawumia le 2024 neni okpo 4,657,304 representing 41.61%. But never His Excellency John Dramani Mahama vote ikokpo le 2020 but how you call 2024 no it was just a little above 100,000. Le 100,000 ma aho kramatin chakwe le ho
Akwami da enjoy.
no onya go le ho kramatin chakwe le ho le ba mo shama do badako yinye mi ko koko duje now if tari gbogboro nbe de ya no vi lo koji gbodanyin leye bere ni dem ya papo medofo yi abale jeje mo gba ina ni gbe na jezi o be o ameyomi jesio NDC de nyenya do la papa lewe o bloga o so la pada mi le agbade na gboro sha do $1 didi yo miesi former Dr. Tanko computer gbogbo na mi o ya gba ba mi o mi didi mi je didi cho 2007 the data doesn't support that claim. My expectable issue able approve with data. I cannot teach you prove with data, but rather propaganda and sentiment. Just by your shift attention, by your by your choose a flag bearer na me ha majo. Nenye NPP junior Graham no la okata gbogbo opodokwi. Yimye ga sebo mo aw. Yimyo ho le du kokpo mo le Ghana gbokpokpo mo awu nyano vi o ke le heki atere wo to troga gbo enenye bo wo trogbo biamse le John e ga le 6 million na doctor I think ja fly that the data doesn't support me a former Dr. Tanko computer gbopolomo me support le go de kanu ta enyamela obedo ko nya ko be ya koko chip in po ala be never learn ku de former Dr. Tanko computer fia ipe dimi na fia eva didi imo ya doctor o de leje eva we be nsema ga balen wo do ko de ku na ji no gbogbo tro doctor ni ko so nsema ngo tinchi awo mi ko na ba assistant now la former Dr. Tanko computer no gatenchi ma photo mo tatoni bi de ko nyebe the data available must support former Dr. Tanko computer when you grow level NPP are declining from 2007 no bede Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo chachade manya nui ke defune nya ko vote popo nanya bodo yangi ke defune nya vote popo de Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Williams Okude Martin Chava Kofi John Gio ikeje sitting president by then the first sitting president ikeje odu le Ghana kokwa abuchi tagbene le wele kure Kofi John Chia ipe history ipe ni ola o subo amade vice president qui va sur président le président va me gbeto trom président qui le jiji odi dan gba jiji with over 1 million votes ta président qui est ex président qui a gbo trova ke in the car no my advice me of you one of the primaries de le Ghana il que ça va me ato eno uma dui sakpo ni choya la ko e ko be o ya awode lo ko va bla bora wa shango chucho wa shandara pa ba John e de ka ko na no yi ale be John de ka ko e ba yi ta as it stands now ni o ba shinpo fo ya ye mo ya paka goji o lo ye mo nya na ele le ko gbo ni to mo lo alo le half work mo ala ba fifi life ya ni ma po mi o ma ni ke ko ma mi no be le NDC ya ma ni ke mi nya ba na nya vice president na vanye flag bearer no no ma o le ma kakira ni mo ja fi ko ba de nya pa grandmother do ye ma ga je jem crowd ta assistance now obe Haruna Idrisu education minister ike miko enyaro ku konifia obe chief of staff Julius Debra ike health work won ma legbegbe mega seraf mo obe general mosquito ike nya chairman fia ike to won anya gakuran ni gbogbo mo ni early days o mega chiju mi awe keke fere ko galimi ga flag bearer chage ni won da mi duna lema wo we me keke do ko ku mo po hada ko tadi me ma susu bombe no suru ncho mi agbo no ko khulu do kiwe ala be nenye be no vio pe gabibim de nuke nawo ala be na fuju ade to de achigbo ala be na pucha na to ogbo ha na eche o tla su ba chi jogo gabi ala be na fuju ade de achigbo ta no de jidi boko no da shi mianchi ya che mi ape flag bearer le mi che mi ape flag bearer vo ela nye Kobena Japan o ela nye Dr. Mahamud Baumia o ela nye Ken Ohini o ela nye Brian o meshia me ke mi cha kode ye ngono gra me flag achoge en kakaraji la sinye be meshia me ke mi cha edo woge achibi ni jinga gbo ha me to kata go mo se ga gbo trogbo ba na ni trogbo ba kode ka hiela nye bui ko re nye nye ma so ni
no bola players la Vibe TV for dunia ju majro na ya jim Amos Wilson ya ma danyam ne NPP no fumcho Dr. Rashid Tanko Dr. Tanko computer Tanko but enya iko
former doctor is a former doctor
computer Tanko Mr.
computer to Mr. Anya doctor
enjoy some Jata George Waho here the US Mr. Tanko yo algo
o khlo modo kyo
ta mi yo na mi research yo ke my chotrogere honorable Amos Wilson chi algo nando recover only ne be awo nawe algo mia matole honorable Raphael ba premier chi algo nando recover only abu mi message so over bam ha ma ono ha khran algo yi Melio amodo nya yonke gbogba kwaje mo yonbo abele magbe na TV ono nye mi apodo do mo dashi ba mi ayo apo nwa dem haro ta mi bleden chuchi bene na mi awe ha ta marakuku na ni meteklo message so maga trejo ta Augustine duno do message da do gbana be mi apo na po ma nya popo na albegbe to gba fudra ha be mi akpom le hosita ko no abaleke ne mi akpom Gladys adjesi ha be mi akpom mi akpo mfo onya sesem ke hello good morning please. Okay, what's happening to your TV? We can't hear anything or see anything. All right, so message araba cho nya sela de kago do anyobe nakbe wo current na mi fi name and location ta mi de kuku mi nya fi ke ne mia nkosemle over yo miakpa marebe miakpon vo meten miape info samo enye message de ka okay message de kana ga cho WhatsApp ga va rofia cho Royal Rumble go hello good morning please WhatsApp into your station we can't hear you over it's the same message Royal Rumble we me so message me na no ga chunchi mark mi ma ga cho mi na no ga cho enchi mark all right agbesi message de ka cho ho message ya cho amara ikala ho ben total yo miakpon all right kaka mpo buve da mi ashitromanche ho ben total message macho message ya cho agbesibo le lashibi well good morning tell my MPP man their party is breaking all disintegrating over mi blone MPP magabo mi party agbagbam agbesiedo message madami cho lashibi onyewe na wona ina nguga message over ba pressure no message tam jibe manu do khlam de karaka ko abamiano ashide monchi okay good morning message raka cho dogbo okay message bi waga very bad sound wow agba mi message home cho sound nchi da mi ashitoke chonchi do yo akpeno do mi akosem cho aflao to obo mi apagbedidi da matro de honorable wala sinchi de no phone na gbeda sharele amakwe
yo Tony meda pena enye vele was enables the intellectual presentation who based on data gake lepe presentation ma egbama akoekeni ne Opel communication director my very good friend James Gay ne no ba never adogwe wa meve waja wa di His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Pejibenkeke elabe on several platforms la the communication director James Gay John Koku Dramani Mahama he was the name of Segbe and aminyabe John Kofi Dramani Mahama ta wa meve wa bubo ayi alebe Kenya nyweto wa kwe aba akofianu mia upele mia penu kwalao eglo nya vivide ke medibema ato ati ke ho no presentation wa eglo be le former president Mahama pe second term pe babia ke obia me na Akufo-Addo doji wo gbelo be vvssd ke he no yo party to de ome be nane yo ke yo pomona yo mekpo yo ya ta yo meda kona NPP wa nene maka ono le NDC chepe ngoni na be former president now the sitting president mekpo efe second term ke wo bia ta menye enuye ye onyo he le jojo he wa gbelo be de ya ta mi ma gbelo be party emele gbagba then again ega gbolobe le president de sia the second term expectations so no na higher o eleike wono nenyebe obid na second term ya webe le Nana Akufo-Addo second term ike wodujia numbers alo figures o drop if ya benya de ka ko gbolobe le de be at the time expectations ma ope gia webe ike John Dramani Mahama His Excellency he no bidding for a second term expectation you cannot high the first term ike mi party yo mejela wa lo Ghana to especially ame yo Kenya floating voters so he o me meet expectations ma ota mi decide me ava da corner opposition party ble mokpokpo be enya yo ka o gbolo na mia ne wa avado enwuti la be agbe adodo wa avivina mi eyata menye enya yeye onyebe ameyoke wole vevesea wa trole party eyome ava dakona party B demu gbedodo yoke ukona o now amechicho no bogbolobe enu ike okpo avetekli ebedi amepem kumebele na me miate wa no bogbolobe based on data kake nu ike kpo mi le egbe a me hia be amedeke nega ko data deke chu koda deke mene wa vakona mi afi mi anya be enu sesen le jojo le NPP party mo na me yo ke head party ego mani Krawa do. If you have and we can whoop it, kaka o me do to hey I'll cover that public domain. Be me apete me ase. Me anyabe na nele jojo. Eyata efonye ne alono vinye ne hwedeme. Be FIK NPP hedoa enye yi seseme tole kake like megbele dongoa wawe akpede mi on be mi aten ano afoveji mi deliver on the mandate ke Ghana ta economy by social contract ke oda economy be mi akpelo Ghana ta no gbojidi NDC de mi apa flag achola tati ade menye ekeje zigbanto bile wobel ta be wa paint picture abe NDC do metia flag bearer akpoa menye enyate ho ye medibe magbelo de penya ike gbelo mile de NPP ole be no soro no cho NDC bo ela be mia we ko eva Ghana magbelo de ike jimi le fifi le for republica mi NDC to we ko eva Ghana eyi no yo ke bo de eyi ke wo mesego mo abe Edolisi Epewowo in 1992 bele enwono wa wo mesego mo ta no over gedeme ta na mede dunyagbelo hade asoro no cho enoviegba NPP asoro no cho mi NDC to bo ga kele de se adema mi le jogbe ni edina ela be Ghana to ko onye to go be Ghana to ogbenu le ogbo bele 38% pe akoyi kemi dana over each year Ghana to ko onye ofenu wo pele no ma wo wa pede mi an le do pe tutumi ta mi adi jogbe ni na do ko megale egbete deji be mi awela muti fafame be ebu de ke makodani kaka amedepe agbe avayi emechife la be mi le dizibe amede never nongo na wa political Tony
yo Mary Chua denta do message and where democracy amanya NDC prefer Ghana. So that's that. Mary from Adenta. Car Rex, good morning. Rex do message ram Joe so to me behind me Uncle Sam. Good morning, Tony. Big ups. Oh, Rex, yeah, I'm just Rex. Okay. Jay Atokobi had a message rami. Yeah, good morning. Big ups to your team. You are doing very well. Message Pamela Lafia at your part me up on the flat. Hey, Tony, you are doing very well. Okay. All right. Majiji goa mi apona koge akokwachi ke majibe mi ana mi apeta ponya oko mi ako egbato serafi na mawe echo anwaga kaminga mi abofa don't kujibe apengba TV ele Facebook ha messages ro otona Facebook ha vana mo kala ke pireko ta na nyanko san Facebook akwa ni kana tanami above vi ikelo voduko vi kejibe voduko na yirengo nyebe na like share comment alebe mashame ikenyo hono nakwe le timeline mashame ke nye hono le WhatsApp ji no kwe lo status ni awe mi atenwawo alebe wona nakeketa donc jibe wona yanji indishan ji na pogandre tutu le jimfuga hostel afia honto mafia kemile tuta mi akpedane mi katambe mi oreka kwa klenta mi afota kwere kwa mi awofo
yo Tony dokuma IG abiacho Attorney General pele Minister of Foreign Affairs ble ameyo pete hemata be waja wagba afo yoke hewole dede ble bedasi kemise be bile asi alomido abo alopele US jidudo be watu esemo de sianenu be kenu foriata ya performer finance minister na wa trova Ghana na wavado babia yoke hekudenwa ne waja wagba ade afoma mimele mokbobe nenyebe maudi aklamadinami ke ovado jukome ya nyaga seta frache dudu de kew be ede akpele ekemeta ke ovado cha o maton akpele ivonu avabia babia weyo mi kwese benusian ano aloji afi wava vele anye gbolonya de dongo be wo bia babia ya alo wo pola me yebonu le amepe megbe ikemi globe in absentia kake ekude enya iketo gbi ofode enwo tafrache nemi le poli homelefi wo globe megbolonya de mefodi amede penkonwa no miasimbe mavado babia wa mata wa balobe megbona ka ke fifila no fonya de enwunye beta frache mekala na ne da wo fifila kpoko eja ihe agbewe chieme enya iko fode wunya esese ta no vatum le fia ta frache dodo mele be mai magbalobe no no yi mava afi na mavado e babia won ta ekude nya iketo bi he fode finance minister wole e afia be miateun akpale ivonu le femegbelo alo mia dibe e am to ne wava amichiche ono gbogbobe enya to fem kumede ya odo hehele ne oje apeto kolo ikot le femegbe ka mia gakpo ame oche wa aglobe ike hemele we ata wole afo ya ode be wa kopo di evenko ta no ya nto hose eyo kadeji abele ke no vinye was ne mos play eto bubu wo hose be apeto me wonu gbegbe de kewa ne lo fa ne wava no kpolo we bonu vasele meka bonu chonya mebe ejagola fifie enyako fode mbe ne wava do babia ta neva ele jimekoko ke matro de efia eyikele bole no to me pegbe de yike wo be mi do ta frache enu no lade eyo meje lawe no si afie pe enu no la nyenya ya ojena eye meko sebe vonu pe afo yike wo de ya menye enu gbegbele de ke onye eyi jogbenyu iche nye be vonu me chonya me hade eyike wa agbalobe enyame koko me de na yo e monu pokpokro ale be ne vonu chonya me ya aga tem ayi for appeal aga agbalobe no gbobole nkude nyanwe la benya ike me odro enya ike odro me kona yu kakebe edumevi ike anonu to metepe awosobosobo do epegedi ne wa atro megbe ko he o maten adebubu epenwuti la kokun adi de odeola esiso vide tamido ta frache be demands yo kewo efiama alo efia hama olela na wa agbogbo lenkudon be fafa alonguti fafa ne wa no enuto maome ke mianovi atigli nyitowa menyane mia aga dogo le ya wala oji afiwa ava wo petati ota madi jogbenyu na mia ominya be efi ke wodo fifia amedese de ke oti akra Ghana ta omega la opogbe la pe ofenu gbele Ghana ngo kake noyi ewo pe a ne wa we la muti fafa me be mia aga no Ghana de ka la be Ghana de ka ye ko igale e ya ko ile miasi e ya ko ye aga no miasi matode yaji na mado agbemundi mia pe nu pola ple nya sela opete bale amogano to me ple ame yopete yale mi anko sele hihi me goduko medo agbemundi na opete
yo nukolo me dako na bale ke mi ore ka claim le wona mabu basarafia Honorable Raphael Olasidobe Pegbe Majani yenye assemblyman ola na club machang to magada nyang ne ndisi to le nyape position machang to ha mi da kono wale ke mi yomiko ne vari mianchi hevaine yo agbada shoga mi agbo van ko ke ma adakone mi abale ke mi ngong do ranvo ma tro ranvo go senchi bo kwepata be nyata na mi kwireko al makhle de kavaro ko mia awo honorable motorum
yo akpe nya azamon popo adogba na nya fa nu kpolawo kata le ho ka kan fa jogyo kata ji bo we de mi agbo be no poto wa ga no yin nenema wa no evanyiba tv akpom aleba wa no evanya osam nya jojo gbagbo osam akoko wunu enye ba vavai atigli ni dunya glo ha ni wona chacha da en manyan yeyi onye na mi o ta mi yi ga ma da jipo na mi ano view ka ko ni fan kle mi bare o ma ga chijio mi yi ga agbo mi o mi so ba ko ni fafa goma mi so ba ko ni fafa goma ta mi ma li na over video mi kwi le nyi ma to gbogbo minya le won to pe ji ma nya igbo mu na mi minyi ta mi kwi alebe nya yi agbo nya ma bia cho ho shibe no va do jide no we nyi no sro nto mi agbo maka gbo make le nye pe npo ma gbe be nya we mi da fi mo jigede gbo fi o ye genye aka jibe na wanya be democracy a yo we kwefe mawu ve nye be nukpɔla ɖe ŋutɔ gblɔ zi ɖeka be gbeɖegbeɖe me nenema wòle o ke boŋua demokrasi eli xoxo malɔ ɖe dzi ne nɔvinye be alo fonye be ɖemahi constitution yi ke wo drafta yewo be agblɔ na mi ta nya ŋkpɔlɔ mi xoe ɖi nenema ko mi nya now yi tsi de ne mi gblɔ bɔle ne nyima da la akpa be miaƒe president wo de nye ya
bɔle bambo
yes eƒe ŋuto mi nye ma ta nya ma dze o ta ma gaɖe kuku ake be dukplɔla kple security enyi yiwo no tso ɖe nya ŋu kpata nu age ɖe me nu me ge ɖe nya me kaba wa egbɔna kɔkɔ dzi ge adzi dede nu ma kpɔm me le nye ma elabe aleka ko dzena gɔme vide ko vɔ eva do ɖe teƒe gã yi ke be tɔtrɔ yi megbe va ɖena fu elabe wane fɔgblɔ be tɔgbiwoa efia ya yemena mi ɖi ɖe afi ya o efia ya na be tɔgbiwo va zɔ medro vi ɖe dzobu me efia ya he tɔgbiwo le efia ya na fofowo le efia ya na tɔgbiwo le ka numawo nye nu yiwo ke hena nu yiwo be no tsina ɖe dzi nye ma ta heyiwo le fim ale ka kɔ ɖi mi ho gbeawo ɖa le me kaba peso me gaba dzi kɔkɔ adzi dede o Honorable Tanko Computer former PhD holder yaya mako fenvo ko kiega le kwa gran be achigi ne dunya gwa ha to yimi and I've provided data onyama ji be asago mo na be blah 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 na te panya nye be data ko data na te nchi agbo sese la mo da shade aka we have to refer to data so sumata only that agbala jina mi do enyama ajinya refer to it no man refer to data wala ni ke gba joge nye be no mi gava ngoku wuka dan koku anyido gu ngali u ga dogere ngo bana gbo bia in a comfortable lead koku anyido gu magali ugbo u ga dogere ngo ba never gbo ba you a comfortable lead iko nya ba you lose mo tami ga gbo ke ba wonu no nsuonku u ga sochu Dr. Mahamud Bawumia agbo ale ke onya ba ni you lose ko edukaba me fuja skili kple Ghana vi ope ji MPP to ope ji o nenema enya me yo ke le MPP amenya ma menya wo we ka no ja skili kple miaji koku hai na gbo ba mi le comfortable lead ikebe me to be strong na minya ba image adumo menya fike former Dr. Tanko Computer le afi ni yo lo jo wo agba agba me bia mi decline me o mo na nako chukara de kamalio obo ngogbe nya zoli magagbo makabede ama yo ke konsama na NDC agbade ama ogala Ghana mama wo ke ko inna na da ko ba yinyima mama wo ke a wo ga tinchana ama yike chaga mi egbona e mi afa flag aji la nye Dr. Mahamud yo la nye Kennedy yo la nye Brian yo mashame ke mi chako mama mashame ke mi chako achigiri jimala nyemela mamu du motora ka junyi mamu kuna mamu du motora ko aka mamu kata achibini junya go ha matonya ananya ba mi to shoju no to flag ade meje na hoji asabe ala nya Haruna Idrisu ameka lengo na LGBTQ pe nya viro ko lora gbala mo ala nya yiva o nya jiduga ala nya chief of staff eva the dancing chief of staff nya jiduga alo na mi va decide va tro susube o yo dibe ko grandma ave yo pe leke yo woni da na vice president adu president na mi va decide
honorable o nyaro tapo mga fonya wa treto ke grandma
vice president you have a vice president oh he's our grandmother no she's our grandmother that's one manya like okay makui but vice president her excellency Nana Jane at least ele wa kwekoji aka assistant na mi man ko so na mi kwefe yeji duga kakara jiki manai mata Ghana toju mino klalo nani ye che mi apa aflaga chola kwa ni yo kala tuma nya to mi ko ga nga ka mana nyuna mi
Nupolao Amos Wilson. Hello Wilson Amos.
Yeah.
Wilson Amos. Mano for me say. MPP. Yo church me anchi madak bane. Do not Augustine. Ebe mi apom no stream amakata won akbano. Richard akbasuga akbano han ya we no stream amakata akbano. Sefaji agaba akbano. Honorable James Girl, akbano han mikata mi va no stream mi apa messages opatava maho kata drama konkwe yo ke message arua obengo drama bokleto anya washi no nyere fia no don drama bo dana ngulo aju drama anya makhla go tane makhlo message on anya we have the editorial prerogative that mo makhla go nyasala mbola jakamano yonami Tony Magboy diplomi bye bye.
Life is deep, my brother. Life is deeper than you see, my sister. If only you knew. Life is full of challenges, don't forget that. Everybody fights battles they don't broadcast. They said he was caught butt naked in a bed. They called him a sinner, wrote his story as dead. But nobody asked if his soul was bleeding. Nobody cared what his heart was needing. A broken man cries with a silent tongue. The world throws stones, never asks what's wrong. When you see a man I saw diving in the sea, understand he knew the risk, still he took that leap. Don't be quick to judge, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the pain won't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only you knew. Would a man with a broken phone not seek a new one? Would a woman with a torn slipper not buy another? We try to fix what we never even broke, and when it can't be fixed, the love goes up in smoke. We are all hurting, scars we conceal, but the world claps loud when a brother falls still. If only you knew how I prayed through the night. My story fades like a teardrop out of sight. When you see a candle burning down to the base, don't laugh at the wax, understand the flame. Don't be quick to mock, don't be quick to throw. If only you knew what the scars don't show. If only you knew. If only you knew my story too. No one cries without a reason. We're all victims of a broken system. If only Sky King says if only